We need to clap again.
2, 3, go. Woo! Hi.
Oh my
Okay.
Okay.
Finally, after how many hours?
Probably like
8 hours.
8 to 9
Because
hours.
I told you guys na we need to set a day to do
Well.
this setup and stuff so that
Magsisisihan mo na.
on the exact day we literally can
But anyways,
just shoot straight. But anyways,
We're
welcome
here.
to our first
Podcast.
podcast, and we are our name channel is
Just
Us
us friends.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So basically, ano ba mag-uusapan natin?
I don't know. Ano
We're
ba yung...
Well, it's our first episode, so we're probably gonna
I
talk
think-
about ourselves.
yeah, the
Yeah.
best
Right.
is just talk about us.
So we're your
Us
host. We're your host.
My name is Gia.
Carl with a K and H.
Evo.
So basically, ano pag-uusapan natin about ourselves? So tell me about yourself. You first,
Ako? Ba't
Ate
ako?
Gia. Yes.
Wow, kumakaate. Wait, ano
You
ba
first.
sasabihin ko?
Big sis.
No, you go first. I don't
No,
know.
you go first. So,
Well, ask me things.
okay, so
Nakakahiya.
why did you think of starting this podcast?
Well, we've been talking about it for a long time
Yeah.
now. Yeah, we've been wanting to start a podcast, but hindi lang namin alam kung paano mag-start.
Yeah. And then, I mean,
And then you guys
saw what...
started talking about
Oh yeah.
Starting
I mean, you
with
saw what happened
'Cause
earlier,
basically,
right?
one of my reasons is to be
famous.
famous and then get the money.
Yeah, that
Get
too.
the
That's
money.
That too. I want that too.
Because
pero-
I'm hella broke. I'm the poorest of all.
Wow. Wow.
What about you? Why did you?
For the money?
No, I know you wanna grow your.
No, I want to grow.
musical-
I want to grow my,
Okay,
myself.
yeah.
You know, like
Because
it's really
if you
gonna
guys
help
don't
podcast.
know, Evo is musically inclined.
Yeah.
Oh,
I try.
Musically
He can play,
inclined.
most of the instruments that you.
Not-
Right.
no,
Mhm.
most of the
You can
instruments.
play the piano, guitar, the bass. What
Wow,
else?
so
Violin.
talented.
So talented.
Well-
And you too.
The violin.
Ako
The
lang po
viol-
yung
the
hindi
violin.
musically inclined. I mean, I can sing, pero
Wait!
parang
Sige nga, sample, sample.
no, wag
Sample.
na. Hindi, joke lang yun pala. Joke lang.
Sample, yeah.
Well, I don't know. I just wanna start something.
Hmm.
Kasi wala lang, trip ko lang. Pakialam nyo ba?
Yeah. Para ding
Para
catch
sa
up
kinabukasan.
session for us friends na.
Yeah, that's true.
Mm.
Yeah.
Basically po, hindi lang kaming tatlo ang magkakaibigan. We have like a lot.
Other friends.
Other
Yeah.
friends.
But most
somewhere.
of our friends are into parties rather than just chill like us. But you'll
But-
see them in our future
Yeah,
future
we'll
episodes.
invite
Yeah,
some
yeah,
of
yeah.
them.
Yeah.
Some
I
of them,
agree.
They're all pretty and handsome. We have a British friend.
Knox.
Knox?
Wow.
He is guapo, but
Wow.
he is guapo, but you'll see.
Wait, sino doon?
It's a whole episode.
It's a whole
We
episode.
can talk about, yeah.
Oh my god! But today How do we start this first episode though? Cause
Maybe because you guys are friends first. You knew
Oh,
each
yeah,
other
yeah, yeah.
first.
so basically, me and Evo met on Grinder.
No, I thought Tinder.
No. We met on an app, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
Is
Pretty
it
much.
an app? Yeah, it is an app.
Yeah,
so
kasi
like,
diba, I don't know, like when I got here from the Philippines, yun yung
Yeah,
one of my
Bigo,
coworkers.
right?
Yeah, Bigo,
Bigo.
yeah, Bigo.
yeah, it's called Bigo. Kasi that time I was not really into talking to strangers. Kasi naman,
Wow.
about strangers.
Wow.
I was like,
But you
stranger
went to
danger.
the.
No, that's
Shush, that's
Wait,
too
let-
personal.
let him tell his story.
Wait, okay. No, because for me, when I was in high school, hindi kasi ako masyado socially inclined. I never talked to a lot of people.
Socially declined ka.
So I was literally so quiet at that time because I'm so observant.
Mm.
Pero, so I was like looking for friends kasi wala akong friends masyado. Most of it are Filipinos, and most of my Filipino friends in San Francisco have their own circle of friends.
Yeah.
And I don't have my circle of friends.
No.
So I started going to a So like random apps and stuff like that. And
Grinder,
and
Tinder,
no.
Bumble.
I don't know Grinder at the
Kumu,
time.
there's Kumu also, right?
Yeah, Kumu.
Kumu. What is that?
Kumu.
Oh yeah,
Kumu,
yeah.
Kumu. It's
yeah.
Bigo and Kumu.
Yeah.
And then there's
So-
another one. I forgot what
I
it
forgot
is,
what's
pero
that. But for me, so I went to Bigo and then I was just like I mean, scrolling and stuff like that, and then I suddenly, got into this live stream of someone. Is it of Teal? Is it Teal?
yeah.
So Teal, I found her from Bigo as well, so we're friends too.
Yeah,
Me,
you're probably
Ivo,
gonna meet
and
them
Till,
soon
yeah,
too.
yeah. So I met Till, and then we started talking and stuff like that, and we got close. And then all of a sudden, Evo entered our room because you can literally enter our room
Oh,
in
so you knew
live
Teal
streaming.
first
Yeah,
before
yeah,
Yeah.
Till first before him.
So, okay.
But I think Evo and Till know each other.
Yeah,
already at
we-
the time.
Probably like, I don't know, cause I got the app probably when I was working in Panda Expresso 2017.
So 2017, no, bro. It's
2017 or 18?
18 probably.
18, yeah.
So kami, so ako nung syempre kaibigan ko si Tio, best friend ko yun. So nagjo-join ako. Ang trip namin, we don't call each other on Messenger or Instagram. We call each other on Bigo. So magla-live stream siya. Tapos magjo-join ako para while we're talking, may sumali sa amin na random strangers and we can talk to them and stuff like that. So, basically just being friendly and stuff. Then all of a sudden, there is this guy who's playing a guitar.
Wow.
Like
What?
what
Guess
are you
who?
using? yeah. He acts like he's so handsome, like so guapo.
He acts
So
wow.
mysterious
so
ba?
mysterious and guapo. He always viewed the camera like this.
What?
Yeah, something like that. And then all of a sudden, I was like, Till, who's this? I was like, oh, it's Evo. Hi, Evo. I was like, oh, hi, I guess. So, at first, syempre nagwapuhan naman ako. Pero, grabe kasi yung
At
hangin. Grabe yung, alam mo yun,
Mayamang siya?
Nagkabagyo, girl. I thought it was a hurricane Harina.
Grabe ka
Oh my
naman sa akin.
And then all of a sudden he was like playing, and then me and Till were
He
talking.
was playing guitar? Or
Yeah,
just
he is.
singing?
Yeah.
He's
That's
singing
my,
and playing
ano,
guitar.
that's my-
his.
That's my go-to.
Yeah.
That's
So,
how you get there.
When I was younger.
So every time,
Grabe ka. That's
so-
how you get them.
Just kidding.
so we talk, like Till and I talk a lot and stuff like that. But all of a sudden, magpa-play siya. I'm gonna play for you guys. And then magpa-play siya,
So,
mag-iingay siya.
sasali siya dun sa live
Yeah. So, mangyayari sa live namin ni Till is, he's gonna play a music, he's gonna sing, and it would take him forever. Like, the whole stream is just about him singing and playing guitar. So, sasabihin ko kay Till, tara na nga, Till, mag-call na lang tayo personal.
Grabe ka!
No, kasi kanta siya ng kanta, and we're not that close at that time.
Hindi
So
kayo
basically,
Yeah.
I don't wanna be mean to him na parang, like, can you stop?
Kailan ba
Something.
tayo naging ano talaga? Like
We're
super close.
close nung nag-live stream ka ata and I joined.
Yeah, tapos di ba doon na tayo?
And then doon lang tayo nagkakwentuhan and stuff
nag-usap-usap.
like that. Because mostly kasi sa akin, once I talk to a certain person or to someone, nagiging close ko sila eventually. Like, super close.
Yeah.
And then Evo, just randomly, we just talk a lot of
Madali
stuff.
naman kasi talaga
Madali
si
kasi
Evo.
siya. Yeah.
I mean, hindi rin Like, it took
You're
us a
very
little bit.
social naman.
No,
I mean, I'm socially inclined, not
he
declined.
is so social na parang
He
kala
can
mo-
just start a conversation
Yeah, like
with
whenever we
random
go out, right? Like whenever we go
strangers,
out, he
yeah.
would just talk to a stranger,
He'll be
and both
like,
of us like,
How are you?
Here we go again.
How are you? Yes, how are you?
I know, remember that one time yung...
How you been?
Remember that one time when we went to Costco together?
Yeah.
Tapos diba, sabi natin, Bob, yung bibili natin for the food in
Yeah,
Costco, diba? So bumili kami, nag-order kami doon after namin sa self-checkout. I was just, we were just walking over there, and then all of a sudden, sabi ko, my God, inintay namin yung order, tapos bigla may matandang lalaki, tumingin sa akin, sabi niya, hey, you waiting? I was like, yeah, I'm waiting. And then all of a sudden, just a snap, we talked about
Yeah.
like, a long, like, it's a very long
Na-open up
conversation.
na niya yung buong
Buong buhay niya. Na-open up niya yung buong buhay niya sa
like,
akin.
wow, this
Sabi niya sa akin, like, my son, he was at your age when, this and that. I was like, oh, cool. I mean, my dad when he was at your age.
Grabe.
The joke,
Anyways.
it's so easy to talk to him actually, because
Yeah, very.
the thing is, like, pag naging close kayo kay Evo, he is so uncomfortable to be
Wow.
too. Like,
Wow
not in a bad way, but like it's so uncomfortable because he's so wholesome. Like for example, he would we're like talking about something, right? Random things, and then all of a sudden it just gets quiet, and then all of a sudden he would like literally say like, you know what, Carl, I really appreciate you.
I love you, bro.
And that
I love
is
you,
so
bro.
awkward. I'm not used to those kind of stuff because like most of my friends are not so openly, express their feelings to your friends and stuff like that.
He's very
I'm very expressive.
And
kasi.
he is the only friend that who would say I love you in a call. So I'm so used to like, yeah, bye, love you, something like that.
No,
But
because I really appreciate you. Diba? Like,
Ayan na
ew.
siya.
grabe naman. Hindi, pero kasi, diba, like,
Usad ka dito.
diba, like, nung, diba, kahit, like,
ang daming
I
like.
don't know. No, like, diba, like, there's a lot of situations na talagang, syempre kasi na-appreciate ko talaga kayo. Kasi syempre, like, I wouldn't be, like, for all those things that happened before, diba, parang, you guys helped me build myself, like, I mean, yes, obviously.
Wow, naging Bob the Builder tayo.
Umiiyak ko. Hindi, pero di ba totoo
Mama.
naman kasi hindi, totoo naman kasi you guys are, you guys were there when I was on my thinnest and,
Wow.
literally thinnest and thickest.
Raise me up.
You raise me
Baka ba ano tayo?
And then,
Monetize.
and then let's go to when you guys start first.
Oh, our first
Dating?
Saw each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, first dating, right?
First meeting. So I moved to Sacramento because I was.
Oh,
I
you
was
were
like-
in Daly City.
I
ba?
was, yeah. I used to live in San Francisco, Daly City, and when I graduated, we bought a house in Sacramento. I chose Sacramento kasi sabi ko, oh, I think Evo live in
Sacramento.
near
Yeah.
Sacramento because so at least when I moved to something new, a new city, I have a friend, right? So when I moved here, he was like telling me like, yo, I can help you move, like, move stuff and something like that. I was like,
Yeah.
no, but like we're just friends online. Why would you do that?
Because you're my friend. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's online or not.
That's how
That's how
galante he is,
Yeah,
generous
that's
he
how
is. And all of a sudden, like, we just moved in Sacramento. I just moved in Sacramento. And one night, like, it's around 2:00 in the morning.
Yeah, no,
I
that
was
was like,
not sleeping.
no, that was when I messaged you. That was midnight, right? And then
It
you
is.
responded.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it was at
responded,
midnight. I
yeah,
responded. We
I
were talking
responded
on
at
the phone.
2:00 or 1:30, I think. And then he was like, yo, do you want to meet? And I was bored. Kasi ako, I'm a spontaneous
What
person.
time was that?
It
What
was like
time?
1:30. So 1:30 a.m. And I was a, spontaneous person, and plus I'm bored as, I'm bored as F in my house. And
As you can
I was
tell.
I was like, okay, sure. I was like, sure, well, let's meet up. And then he was like, okay, meet me at this place. And then when I saw it on the map, it was in the garage.
It's a roof.
It's
A
a
roof-
parking
Yeah,
garage.
parking garage.
Yeah,
And I
parking
was
garage.
like, hala, papatayin ako. But I was like, I think it's okay.
Like, kasi diba that time I was a security.
Parang mabait naman to.
I was like, I think hindi naman niya magagawa yan. I think he cannot do that. And then I was like, yeah, sure. And then I drove downtown Sacramento, right?
Mhm.
And then I met him in a parking garage where he was working. He used to
Yeah.
work there. And
It's a pretty cool
the
parking
whole
garage, though.
shift, we're just talking about the horror stuff. We're just talking like, oh, there is a ghost here.
Oh my
There's
God.
No,
no
kasi, so here's what happened, diba? So it's a 5-story parking garage. So it's kind of dark inside, diba? Like
Yeah,
we were
it's
walking around, super
super dark,
dark.
girl.
It's like in order for me to really do my job, I have to drive up and down, and that's the craziest thing. Kasi sobrang dilim, diba? I'm not gonna walk out there. I'm not dumb. I'm not stupid, diba? So kami ni Carl, nakita kami sa labas, diba? So we were, going up the stairs. Tapos sabi ko, diba Carl, ano ka, diba nakita ka, may
Yeah,
third
yeah.
eye ka. So
My
sabi ko,
God.
may nakita ka ba dito? Assurance lang, diba? Sabi niya, wala. So, paakit na kami, nasa rooftop na kami.
Sa kabilang building.
Yeah. So, ganun na nangyari, diba? So, nasa taas na kami. Tapos, hindi siya nagsasalita sa akin. So, I was like, oh, okay, probably wala naman talaga.
Yeah.
Tapos, tumarap kami dun sa, across the street. There's like a building, diba?
Mhm.
So, pagtingin namin sa across the street, sabi niya, ayun no, may kumakaway.
My God.
Sabi ko, oh my God.
I
Tapos,
literally
alam
told
mo,
him,
after nun, hindi na ako umakyat doon.
kasi literally, keep on asking me like, is there a ghost there? Is there a ghost there? I was like, no, I don't see anything. And then I was like, you know what? Pagtitripan ko to. I was like,
Sinabi mo lang
sabi ko,
yun just
look, may kumakawa yun. Nakangiti pa nga eh.
Oh my God.
Or,
Tapos-
or did I say nakangiti or I said there's no, wala siyang ulo.
Hindi.
Saan tayo nag...
Okay.
Sorry.
Sorry
Technical
about that, guys.
technical difficulties.
It's our first episode.
It's our
First episode.
and
So
we're
bear with
struggling a
us.
lot.
Bear with us, please.
Oh my god.
Sorry,
So
I know
anywho,
it's
going back to
Ah.
our first meet. Evo and I first met in the garage parking, right? So nag-meet kami. So I was expecting like, tall and handsome. Kasi we're in a video call every day. Like every day through night, girl. Every day through night.
I know, siya yung naging ano ko. Siya yung naging wifey ko.
And literally, it was like acting so handsome and stuff like that. Whenever Teal is,
Napogian ka naman.
no, it just worked one day, but like it's not the whole semester.
One day lang. Grabe.
University girl.
So
Grabe ka
so
naman.
the thing is like lagi siyang nagpapagwapo, like he wants to look handsome and stuff like that. Kasi Teal was there, or sometimes there is a girl visitor in our live stream. So I was expecting a handsome person, a tall handsome person. When I met him, I was so laughing, like inside myself.
Oy, grabe ka
I was
naman.
laughing.
Wow.
I was like, oh my god, he looks like Penguin from Arkham City.
Oh my God.
Grabe.
No, from Batman. And then, sabi ko, visit ka pa, gwapo ka ng pagwapo. Disappointment.
Gwapo naman kasi talaga siya.
He
Thank you.
is handsome. Alam mo, bagay nga talaga.
Oh, just want to let you guys
So,
know,
wait, but
Gia
what's-
and I we're together.
They're in a relationship.
We're in a
I'm the only
relationship.
one who's single, so.
Pero ano,
I'm just kidding.
I
I'm
can't
not-
Before-
endorse.
Before
I'm good, thank
Gia,
you.
there was a Carl.
I know. That's why.
That's
Selos
why he
na
got-
selos ako sa kanya nun.
That's why he
Oh my
got
God.
jealous. Whenever we hang out, he'd rather call me rather than her.
Oy, grabe naman.
Yeah, grabe talaga. Like,
Ah,
Yeah.
hindi naman
remember we
ano.
have 3 separate cars that one day that we hang out, and then he called me. Then he calling you,
Remember that yung nagparty sila ng mom sa bahay?
and then
Tas yung
tatlo
pauwi tayo,
sasakyan
tatlo tayo?
natin. So sasakyan ko, sasakyan niya, sasakyan mo.
Ah, yeah.
And then you were like
I
to
was
him,
like, boy, girlfriend mo ako, bakit siya yung tinatawagan mo?
why you calling him rather than me? I was like, Bo, call her. Why you calling me?
I know.
I was like, no, I'm just making sure because like you might get sleepy when you drive. I was like, oh my god.
Pero
Bo.
now, thinking about it, kasi nga, you're driving a long way.
And remember
kasi,
when you guys broke up?
Yeah, I know. I'm realizing
I'm
it
the
now.
one who's there since,
Kaya nga
since
wala
first
na ako,
day.
ano eh.
So you cannot complain. So basically,
Pero when you guys met, he was with another girl pa.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
are you with her that time? No, I don't think you're broke up. You're broken at that time
No.
already.
Don't mention names
Yeah,
yet, okay?
I would never.
No. We were
Break na kayo nun, I think.
no. I think we were still together that time, pero
You were
Really?
in the process of
in the
breaking up.
process of
Yeah,
in the process,
process.
yeah. Kasi
Probably,
syempre,
yeah,
diba,
yeah.
it didn't work out. So
And then so yun the first impression ko sa'yo na parang, oh my God, kamukha siya ni Penguins.
What's your first
What's your first
of
impression of me?
her?
oh shit.
Well, I'm not wearing heels at that time because I know I haven't.
No,
had
kasi
any
I
heels at that
I
time.
mean,
You
you know,
still have short hair that time.
Do
No.
I? No, I have
long
Oh,
hair
long
na,
hair
yeah.
pa. Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, that was way before you. So.
Nah.
I
long
know.
hair na.
Long hair.
Long
When
hair
we
na.
started
So,
doing
super
a
long
And
video
then you
hair
call.
cut your hair pala.
No, so when we started video calling, my hair was not that long.
And then lumaba lang.
And then when we met,
Yeah.
doon na mahaba yung.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean it was super my first impression honestly, like kasi ako naman kasi like I really don't like judging people.
Mhm.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
Like no,
Judger.
I'm just, that's just me. Like I don't like judging people until I really meet them.
Mhm.
But even then, I really don't judge them as long as, I
Yeah,
see it
yeah.
for myself, diba? So, noong nakita ko sa'yo, sabi ko, damn, ang tangkad mo pala. sabi ko sa
Wala pa
camera,
siyang heels, no?
wala pa. So, akala ko nga sa camera, sabi ko, pag nag-usap kami sa video call, diba? Kasi I never thought about that
Yeah,
actually
because
until now.
I always face the camera above, like in the ceiling or literally sometimes nakaside, like half
So,
face.
hindi halata yung
Yeah,
height
so
mo.
Yeah.
he
Akala
wouldn't
ko ano lang siya
notice.
parang 5 flat.
Uy! Grabe, I'm
Seriously?
so small.
Yeah, no,
Seriously?
seriously. I thought
Oh.
you're no, like I know you were it looks like you were tall, pero like I don't know like not like super
Yeah,
tall
yeah.
na talagang ano kasi you know like when you talk to them on the phone or see them
Yeah.
on the video, it's different, diba?
It's
So,
different.
nung pagkita ko pa sa kanya, sabi ko, "Oh, hi Carl." Nakataas talaga ako.
Nakataas ka na.
No, seriously. Nagyakapan kami, diba? The very first time, diba?
Awkward
kami.
pa nung first meeting niyo.
No, it's
No, not really.
not.
No.
So really awkward because
Hindi
we're,
kasi I
we're
feel like,
so used to talking.
at saka same personality kayo na you can just, yung conversation nyo.
oh
Parang
yeah,
same
like just
personality kayo. Oo.
just
Yeah,
flowing
actually,
without
that was
any
the,
stop.
it wasn't awkward. Talagang
It is
pagkita
not
namin.
really.
Pagkita
We're
lang
just
namin,
making fun
nagyakap
of-
pa nga kami.
Yeah,
Tapos
we're
parang,
just making
Meet
fun of each
cute,
other.
meet cute.
guys, we met at Grindr, remember?
every time whenever someone asks where we met each other, I would literally tell them like, oh, Grindr.
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 Pati yung kay mami, di ba? Parang,
Yeah.
yung kay mami.
Yeah,
Oh my
gusto
God.
pa nga siya.
Yeah, his
Gusto pa
mom.
siya. Ni tita.
So his mom told me like our first meeting. So him and his mom were in the club. Is it a club?
No,
It's
well,
that kind of
Red
club.
88.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it's not like a
Uh,
club. It's like a resto
hangout
bar.
bar.
Yeah,
Yeah,
resto bar, yeah.
So
Guys,
so
I
he-
know, shout out to
Wow.
Red 88. It's really good.
so he invited me. He was like, Carl, you do want to go out? I was like, yeah, sure. So let's meet in Davis. I was like, okay. And then we met, and I didn't expect like his mom would be there. So he was like, Carl, my mom. I was like,
Wait,
oh.
that's your
Meet the
second
family.
meeting?
No, that's
No,
my first
First time
for
meeting mom.
my-
So we've been,
with tita.
when I was living
Okay.
in Sacramento, here in Sacramento, we met a lot, diba? Like,
yeah,
not like a lot. Actually, you know
we
what's
hang
weird?
out a lot.
We
Wait,
didn't hang out so much, pero like,
Clarification. When you guys met, you were still with the long-term relationship?
The first
Or-
relationship.
the first one.
Oh,
And then,
okay.
oh yeah, the first one, tapos,
Mhm.
we broke up, tapos, the
The
second,
next one.
the second one,
and
yeah.
then and then this other stuff. And then,
There's a lot.
Yeah.
Uy, grabe ka
Trust
naman.
us.
I'm just kidding.
Grabe ka naman.
so the thing is like, so nung nakita ko yung mom niya, his mom literally told me like, hey Carl, I'll allow Ivo to be gay. So, pero dapat ikaw yung girlfriend niya. I was like, tita,
Ikaw lang talaga.
yeah, I was like, you didn't even tell me you didn't even ask me if I like him first.
Yeah.
And you know what I said? Say less.
I was like, tita, oh my god.
I wouldn't mind either. Well, that time, no. Pero,
Oh my god, that is so funny. But yeah, that's how we met. Like
And-
we're so close to get, like first day pa lang, we literally got so close.
Yeah.
To the point na we're teasing each other na. Like naglalaitan na kami. First
not,
pa lang
not,
namin.
not like that kind of
Not
teasing.
tease na, that's weird. But the thing is like, the first, nung nakita ko siya, ang literal na sinabi ko sa kanya, oh my God,
Ang
dati
liit
nasa
mo.
isip lang kita, ngayon hanggang suso lang kita.
oh my God!
Yeah, talagang ano.
I literally-
Alam mo, honestly, I'll be honest with you. Medyo na-offend ako. Kasi syempre, you know, like, I'm not small, pero like, you're just tall.
It's like you're telling me like my forehead is not big. It's just my eyebrows are lower.
It's not about the height. It's about the girth.
Ew! Oh, you are girthy.
I am.
Guys!
If you're talking,
Witness.
oh no, not that. Ew.
No.
You guys are nasty. But okay, enough of us though. But how did you guys meet? Tell them, because
Should I tell them or you want to tell
We can
them?
both tell the story.
Okay, so here's what happened. Once upon a time,
No, wait.
in the land far, far away.
No, I'll start then. Kasi his mom and I used to work together. So, ang friend ko talaga is
his mom.
his mom. So, in-invite ako ni tita to attend the party. Kasi may birthday party sa inyo, di ba?
Yeah.
And then, I wasn't gonna go, I think. Di ko alam kung, kasi nahiya ako and hindi ko talaga masyadong kakilala si tita.
And during that
I
time,
know her
you're
na
working and
jolly.
studying.
Oo,
Yeah.
yeah. Kilala ko siya na talagang jolly, parang masaya siyang kasama, ganun. So, I
Party
wanted,
girl, basically.
yeah, I wanted to go
Grabe
to the
naman
party
kayo.
kasi I know
Bawa,
it's gonna
disclosure,
be
ah.
fun.
Disclosure lang,
It's a
ah.
party girl.
I know she is.
No, I love my mom. She
But
is
I decided
she's
to
funny.
go and then nag-dress up ako doon, maroon.
Naka-maroon na
ako,
dress,
tas
tsaka jean jacket.
Naka-maroon dress, tsaka naka-boots pa ako noon.
Yeah, tsaka jean jacket, don't forget.
Yeah, and then nung pagdating, ano sabi mo?
Jean jacket.
Jean jacket nga.
Yeah. Hindi, sabi mo ano? Sabi mo lang yung maroon dress tsaka yung boots.
Ah, tas may jean jacket.
And then the
Nakalimutan siya eh.
And then, so pumunta ako, and then when I got there, na-meet kita. Ay, saan ba ako? Ikaw na nga mag-kwento.
Hindi kasi ganito yun. So, paano? I don't know how to
Start.
start it.
Gusto niyo ako magkwento ng love story niyo?
Hindi na.
No,
hindi na.
no.
Kami
Basically,
na.
naging sila in one day.
Oh, grabe.
No,
No, not one day.
Mga 2 days.
2 days,
Hindi
3
kami
days.
naging-
1 day and 30 minutes.
no, hindi kami naging official, pero we're like,
Yeah.
dating
So,
na.
ano kasi, diba, like, yung party ni mom, diba? So,
Mm.
I actually invited you, pero you couldn't
invited me,
make
but
it.
I was not available at that time
Yeah.
because no one's gonna. Yeah, that's the only problem when our first,
Kasi
friendship
yung mga
phase is my. I
kapatid
don't.
mo.
Yeah. My sister. No one's gonna take care of them because
Yeah.
my stepdad and my mom is working.
Mhm. Kaya nga, yun nga, diba? Like, I invited Carl. And I'll be, remember I told you the story? I was about to meet a different girl, diba?
Yeah, the difference.
And that was like,
And co-worker din namin.
yeah, coworker niyo. And then, like, I went to school with her.
Kabatch mo ba sa school or schoolmate mo lang?
Schoolmate.
Hmm.
I think kabatch ko rin siya. Well, technically kabatch ko rin siya.
Yeah.
Gulo.
Di ba pares lang naman yun? Kabatch tsaka
Basta schoolmate
Yeah,
mo.
schoolmate. Tapos yun nga yung, di ba, kinukwento ko sa'yo, like, di ba,
Ah.
like, I was on the phone with you.
Yeah.
Remember,
I don't know.
we were talking the time. Yung papunta ko sa
Parang
Susun.
confused yung story.
So, anyways.
Anyway.
So, yeah, I was supposed to meet a different girl that time. Tapos, syempre, like, I walked in the house. Tumulong ako maglinis ng konti. Tapos, yun nga si mami, Evo, labas ka dito, meet everyone. So, na-meet ko lahat ng coworkers. Coworkers ni mami and Gia.
Yeah.
So, first interaction namin ni Gia, it was kind of, like, you know how I am. I walked up to her, kumakain siya, nakaupo. So, I go, hi, I'm Evo. Hi, I'm Evo. Tapos sabi niya,
Nagkamay ba tayo?
Yeah.
Nagkamay tayo.
yeah, nagkamay tayo. Tapos sabi ko, hi, I'm Evo.
It's in the dining room, right?
No, it's outside.
No, they're taking a video.
Oh, shit. Is this a different bitch?
Whoops.
I don't know.
No, you were
Oh,
outside.
you said hi sa labas.
Sa labas ng hi.
Oo.
So, yun nga, di ba, nag-hi ako sa kanya, nag-shake hands kami. Tapos sabi ko, oops.
We.
Damn.
No, I know.
Damn.
Nung nakita kita, I know you were pogi. Kasi,
Damn.
naman
Okay,
talaga.
stop it. Like,
pero
Yeah,
stop
I'm
it.
disgusted.
ang first ko
Grabe.
naisip
Get a
nun,
room.
ang first ko naisip nun, parang hindi, pogi siya, pero hindi ko siya yung parang magiging crush dahil nga, mas bata siya sa akin.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kasi ang type ko nun talaga is older than me.
Ilang years ba ang gap nyo?
3 years.
Yeah,
It's
3
not that
years.
big.
It's not that big. I mean,
Pero in my mind,
to put it in aspect, ka-age siya ni ate.
I
Oh,
know,
yeah,
yeah.
actually.
So, it's kind of, like,
at saka it's gonna be weird too kasi ka-work ko si mami
Yeah.
mo.
So, anyways, going back to the story, yun nga, edi, konti-konti na paalis yung mga tao. Tapos si mommy kasi, like, she doesn't like people, getting left out, diba?
yeah.
So, she was like, Evo, Jam, labas kayo dito. Jam is my ate. Sabi niya, labas kayo dito. So, lumabas ako. Syempre, like, sabi niya, ate, uy, dali mo yung guitar mo, gano'n. Para lang, chill, hang out, like how we,
Basically what we do always.
yeah, like what we do always, diba? So, lumabas ako doon, nagdala ako ng guitar, diba? So, tumugtog ako, like, just for fun. Watermelon sugar, hi, watermelon sugar. Tapos sabi niya,
No, you played that when you were, yung tayong dalawa na lang. No?
no, so I played that, tapos yun nga, diba, I grabbed the guitar, I played it. Sabi mo, oh my God, you like Harry Styles? Sabi ko, oh yeah, I love Harry Styles. Sabi ko, okay.
No. Your mom said parang lumabas ka doon sa labas kasi nga
mag-isa
most
ka
of the,
lang.
Oo,
Yeah.
most of the bisita, umaalis na.
Mhm.
So, ayaw niya ako ma-left out. Sabi niya, Ivo, samahan mo naman si Gia doon sa backyard.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, wala na akong kasama.
That is so funny. Like your mom, whenever I go to your house, he always tells me like to entertain
People.
people. Ginawa kong clown. Sabi, remember yung kasal? Sabi niya,
Oh my
"Carl,
God, don't start with that."
Entertainin mo nga yung mga bisita. Sabi ko, huh?
Yeah.
So anyways, going back,
So yun nga, I play guitar and then, we sang together. Tapos nung, konti na lang yung,
together.
yeah. So nung, umalis na yung mga tao, natira na lang ata si mommy, tita,
Tapos yung other friends.
other friends niya, diba? Si tita,
Mm.
tapos ate,
2 other
tapos
friends
tayo.
ata. Tapos
Yeah, tapos
ate
diba
mo.
umiinom pa tayo nun?
Yeah.
Umiinom pa tayo. Tapos, ang nangyari, ito talaga yung plan talaga. Si mommy, tsaka yung friend niya si tita. Tsaka kami nila ate, sa labas kami matutulog.
Mm.
Doon sa may parang bodega stuff na ano. Oh, hindi naman canopy, diba? Like, what do you call that?
Bongga, no.
Not bungalow. Pero yung parang, you get what I mean? Yung parang,
It's like the tent outside.
Oo.
yeah, like,
like the-
very
kind of
similar.
tent,
Like,
yeah.
Okay.
may post, tapos yung bubong lang.
Let's
Mm.
just call it veranda.
Ang social man.
Yeah,
Let's just call
dun
it
tayo
veranda.
lahat matutulog doon.
Hindi, di ba? Yun nga yung plano nila, mami, di ba? Doon
Oo,
tayo. Kasi ang
but-
ganda ng sky, malamig, masarap. So, edi yun nga. So, kami, edi doon na kami, di ba? May kumot na kami, naka-jacket na kami. Sila, mami, sabi niya, oy, tara, inom ulit tayo sa loob. So, naiwan kami dalawa ni Gia sa labas. So, nakahiga kami doon para kami, di ba, syempre, ang awkward, di ba? Parang, hindi naman kami masyado magkakilala. Pero nag-start na kami magkwentuhan pa. Nung nasa labas na kami,
Maganda
kaming
na
apat.
yung conversation.
Yeah.
Yan, nagtuloy-tuloy na yun.
Tuloy-tuloy na yung conversation. Tapos yun nga, di ba? Parang, kwentuhan kami. Like, oh,
So
ano
doon na kayo
nangyari?
nagka-inlavan.
Yeah.
Unti-unti.
Unti-unti. Tapos ano, alam mo yung song na, Inch by inch, we're moving closer.
May baka copyright tayo.
Oo nga.
Okay lang yan.
Wow, taro yun. Taste pala yung love song.
Hindi, so yung heart ko, diba? Sabi ko, tugs, tugs, tugs,
Yeah,
tugs,
it was
umaga
really
nun.
sweet.
It was really,
What's your first impression sa akin, girl?
Sa'yo?
Your first month, alam mo na, sinabi niyo na yung first impression niyo sa isa't isa, right? Did you
Not
guys
yet.
say it?
no, I found Gia beautiful. Honestly.
Okay.
Well, I told you were really pogy and very, I know you were very
Charismatic.
Yeah, charismatic and
I try.
super bait mo. Like to the guests too. Lahat sila
I mean,
in-entertain mo.
If
May
you
choice
could
ba ako?
see Evo Polak's old photos, like during high school, sobrang gwapo.
No, you know what? Yung mga ano niya nung high school niya, parang ang payat niya kasi nun for me.
Really?
Oo, parang
So-
hindi ko siya masyadong, parang hindi kami masyadong bagay pagka masyado siyang payat.
Hindi,
pero
payat,
yung
ano,
medyo-
sobrang payat ka rin nung time. Hindi naman sobra, pero payat ka nung time na yun din naman.
Yung,
Yeah.
Actually,
yung
I
nakaraan po ni
gained
Gia, kasama niya pa po nun mga dinosaurs. Joke.
Hoy! Ilang years lang agwat natin, girl.
So, you found each other,
Mm-mm.
very, good looking and stuff like that.
Yeah.
What's your first impression about me? Because our first meet is during Evo's mom's wedding. Is it a wedding or remaking of vows?
Rehearsal.
Rehearsals, yeah. So our first meet kasi I was invited to Evo's mom's wedding, diba? And I was in the church because we're rehearsing what to do, and I was looking for my friend who I like. Shout out Brian. Hi. So
One of our friends, Brian.
that's one of our friends.
Hi,
He looks like
Brian.
Michael
Hi, Brian.
Jackson,
Love
but he changed a lot. Now he's so handsome.
You know, I didn't meet him like that. Hindi na mahaba yung
Really?
buhok niya.
Yeah.
na-meet
So,
ko.
yun
Really?
yeah.
No, it is. Oh, no.
No.
Yeah.
No.
It is short na.
Yun na yung yung
yung pic-
version
yeah,
2.0
yeah,
na.
yeah.
Damn!
2.0 ng aming Brian. But
Mm.
but I was looking for Brian because he's the only friend in our friend circle na may sariling mundo, which is laging tahimik, and ayaw ko nang nala-left out kasi yung isang tao. So I always find him and then talk to him and stuff. But the thing is, like, this girl was like, Girl, samahan mo ko dito.
No, nag-meet tayo sa bahay nila Ivo. Diba?
When was
Yeah.
that?
Kasama mo pa si
Yeah.
Sydney. Shout out Sydney. One of our great friends, amazing friends.
That girl is
Hi,
the
Sid.
Oh my God.
Tiff-
We love you.
Yeah,
Pretty.
she's really
I miss
pretty.
you na.
I miss you, miss you.
Miss you, girl. Pero yeah,
Kung makasabi naman tayo,
Pumunta-
miss you.
Kala mo
Pumunta-
na
I know.
natin din nakita.
dumating ako sa bahay nila Ivo. Break kami nun, right?
I don't recall
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
we
Give
were-
me
Kasi hindi pa tapos yung meet cute namin nung nung that day.
Oh, ayun ba yung umiyak ka sa akin kasi pipick upin mo na yung gamit mo sa bahay nila?
Hindi, that's a
That's a different
Ah.
one. Girl,
Sorry.
ini-spoil mo yung
Ay, sorry. Okay, lagi marami namang... But our first meet, from what I remember, is the wedding rehearsal.
No, dun sa bahay
Sa
nila,
bahay
tita.
pa lang.
Nandun tayo nag-meet. Tapos naghayak sa'yo.
Nag-usap pa tayo, no?
Yeah, nag-usap kayo. So, kasama mo, di ba, pumunta kayo sa bahay, tapos mag-hangout sana tayo. Di ba, kasama si Sydney. Yeah, Sydney and you.
Oh my God.
Tapos
I
nagkaroon ng
cannot
rehearsal.
recall. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then, so we drove together.
No,
Papunta
no.
ng-
No, iba pa yon.
Oh my God, I'm so
Gulong-gulo
confused.
na sila. Kasi,
Girl, I'm sorry.
Marami kasi nangyari.
There's a
ang,
lot.
ang kinakwento ko, yung nag-meet pa lang tayo, tapos nag-break na agad tayo.
Sorry.
Sorry,
Kasi
maraming
from what I remember is like ang first na lagi na nag-usap na tayo totally is the rehearsals na ng kasal. The
Kasi,
wedding.
nung nandun tayo sa bahay nila, tita, di pa tayo masyadong,
Yeah, we're not talking at all.
oo.
Cause
I'm very awkward pa nun talaga.
yeah, but the thing is kasi sa akin, if there is a new people like on my site, I would literally focus on them and talk to them. But the thing is, I don't remember that. Is that a memorable day though?
Not really, because you guys just dropped by. 'Cause-
Oh,
That's the same day though.
Oh yeah.
That's the same day.
No, it's not the same
It's
day.
not the same day, it's a different
So
day.
that day pala, Sydney and I went to a park na kaming dalawa
Yeah,
na
kayong dalawa
kumain.
lang. Yeah, kasi diba dapat
we're
sasama ko.
inviting you,
Yeah.
tapos yung pala may rehearsal.
May rehearsals.
Okay, I remember now. Okay, yeah.
Ewan ko
But,
sa'yo, girl.
but the first day,
Yung
first-
sa'yo, girl.
that's our first day na nakita, pero hindi kita masyado napansin that time.
Yeah, kasi tahimik ka nun.
Wait, I don't remember what you're saying. Yung kila tita ang natatandaan ko.
Yeah, yung before tayo
rehearsal
pumunta
na.
doon.
Yeah.
Before tayo
Pero
pumunta.
hindi tayo nag-usap nun.
Ang kausap
Kasi
mo si
nag-drop
Sydney.
by lang ako. Literally, umalis agad kami ni Sydney kasi pupunta kami ng... Si Sydney pa yung nag-drive nung... So, yung Sydney friend namin has a new car. That was like the Toyota 2021. That's 2021. And then...
Oh, yeah.
And then she drove, and then that's her first time driving by herself.
Is it the white car?
Yeah, the white Toyota. And then nung nag-red light, and then he still continues to drive the red light. And I was like, why didn't you stop? She was like, there's still 5 minutes. I was like, what? 5
my
minutes?
Uy, maka-disclose ka naman.
I sorry, girl. But like, that is so funny.
Makakasuhan na si John. No, pero ang natatandaan ko nun, that's the same day. Nung pumunta ako sa inyo for the rehearsal. Tapos, dumiretso tayo sa church.
Mhm.
Tapos doon ako sumasama sa'yo.
Hindi. That's a different...
the wedding
That's the
na.
before.
No, that's the wedding.
Yeah.
Rehearsal pa
No.
lang.
That was before the wedding.
That is the wedding na, girl.
Yeah, that was the same day. Remember we practiced before?
Kasi nung rehearsals, hindi ako umattend nun.
yeah, hindi siya
Yeah,
kasama.
hindi ako kasama nun.
No, sino yung kasama ko nun?
Ewan ko,
din?
no, girl.
Tayo.
Girl.
No.
You guys are not broken up at the... Oh, no, you
No,
guys.
we were, yeah, we were.
Well, I don't know, girl.
Whatever.
Basta on the wedding day, she was like asking me, girl, can you go with me? And I'm the one who's looking for my
that's-
friend Brian.
Oh,
And
oh,
and
yeah.
we're not that close at the time.
Tama,
So-
that's
so,
the wedding
I was like,
na. Wedding
bakit-
na pala yun.
Why is she asking me to go with her? We're not even close.
Kasi I didn't have anyone
she-
there.
It's so
sad.
awkward. And I was like, okay, if you want to, sige. But like, I'm still, while we were like sitting together or like we're standing up at that time, I'm looking for,
For Brian.
I was like, where
I
is
mean,
Brian?
I don't mind kasi wala naman. Basta kasama kita.
But like my first impression to Gia, she is kind. She is
Wow.
sobrang mabait. You are so mabait.
Really? Ano joke lang?
No, yeah, it is.
No, she is.
Mabait siya, pero KJ. That's the first impression, which is still not. I'm just kidding. No,
No, ano lang talaga, very
G-
observant lang
well,
si Carl.
I really understand na bakit naging, alam mo yon, hindi ka masyado ma-hangout sa amin at the time because you were studying while working, which is
Yeah.
understandable.
And it's
And
hard. It's really
It's
hard.
really hard. I realized that when I used to do that, you know.
And
Tessa,
yeah,
remember.
I mean, I
Oh.
used to do that nung nag-volunteer ako
Tsaka
and everything.
sometimes kasi meron talaga akong anxiety when it comes to meeting new people. Yung parang I don't know kung paano ako makikipag-usap. You know?
Oh, yeah. I get that.
Yeah, pero when I go, okay naman. Wala naman problema. So,
Mm.
that's just...
Which is understandable.
Yeah.
Pero ang first impression ko sa'yo, medyo maano ka, parang mataray ka.
Really?
Mataray ka
Kasi
naman.
yung mata mo is like medyo mataray. Pero once you talk to you, hindi nga ako na uncomfortable sa'yo noon nung kasama kita. Dahil
Mm.
dahil maganda yung conversation
Oh,
dynamic
that's-
natin noon.
That's good.
Kinabahan?
Everyone,
Ba't ka
no,
kinabahan?
because like every time I ask someone, like my friends, whenever I tell them like, "What's your first impression about me?" and they would always say na I'm mataray.
Oo,
Like
yeah.
suplada, what's that? Maldita.
Maldita.
I was about to say Matilda.
Wow!
Wow. From Maldita to Matilda.
Princess Sarah. so I was like, why? Because like I'm always smiling whenever I face people. Sisimangot lang ako when I'm with my friends kasi doon ako comfortable na parang I don't have to entertain. I don't have to show, you know, like I'm friendly because they know that I'm friendly. I'm
Yeah.
very whenever I talk to
Ano
people.
po?
Yeah,
Ano
you're
po?
very-
Carl's like Casper. Friendly ghost.
And you're very observant. Of
I am very
people.
absorbed.
Yeah.
But my observation, me being observant is kind of creepy to be honest.
Oh my God.
Because like when I observe people, tatahimik lang ako nun. I would be quiet, but I was observing the way you breathe, the way you walk, the way you look at me, the way everything, like emotional.
The way you
mo.
look tonight.
And then she, yeah, you know that is so. Yeah, just say like that's a good impression though. I mean, hindi ba ako kasi sometimes sasabihin nila masyado akong mabully, but that's how I show my
Your
love. Yeah, that's how I show.
Cap.
My love
Cap.
No, that's how I show.
That's true though. Kung hindi ka niya close masyado, hindi ka naman
Yeah, I
agad-
would. Hindi kita lang.
Actually, That is so true.
No,
Remember-
not really. Mabuli ka lang talaga.
That's so true though. Kasi remember
the thing
that
is,
one
like,
time
I would
yung-
notice every small things to you pag close kita. Malanotice ko, look, ba't ganyan yung damit mo? I would question everything kasi hindi ka naman normally ganun. Like, I would ask you everything. Pero pag I'm not close with you, I would just like, oh yeah, you're good. Like, something like that. Pero hindi ko sasabihin na, like, so ugly.
You're
Wow.
not straight up.
Yeah,
Pagka hindi mo masyadong close.
I'm a little bit straight. But, you know, my
Wait,
You're
you're a
not
little bit
straight.
straight? Oh my god.
Oh shoot, that's my secret. My
Ay,
mom would
wait.
know. Oh my god. Isn't it obvious? But like, yeah, like whenever I talk to someone who I'm not really close, I would not talk to them the way I talk to you guys. Because
Mhm.
si Eva, I would literally say like, "Oh, you're getting big." I would literally say that in his face.
Tapos ako naman, you're getting bigger too.
But
Yeah, kasi he knows na yung maging reaction mo is fine.
yeah, and I know.
Wait, so you think everything that you tell me is fine? When you mock me? When you
mean,
bully
no.
me?
No, like yung...
No, because the way I tease, the word tease is not good, but like the way I
Play.
shut
I-
up.
How do you
The way
say?
I move, the way I express, but like the way I tell them like mean stuff is, you know, more in a more.
It's like a pampering
more
kind of way.
concerned
Diba?
way.
Mm.
It's not a critic way, because a critic way is so different from, you know.
It's the same thing, I guess. I feel the same way.
Constructive, ano yun?
Constructive criticism.
criticism
Yeah.
Pero I
instead
feel
of-
the same way.
Instead of just bullying.
No, because si Evo po kasi, when you talk to him, he would literally just don't, you know, he would not express it like right away. He would literally keep it till you get, you know, till you have a time to do an open forum thing.
Yeah.
He would literally say like, but you know what, to be honest, yung sinabi mo sa akin last time, he would
No,
say
because
that.
for me, kasi, di ba, parang, I don't like bringing it in during, you know, kasi syempre, if we're having fun, di ba?
Nakakasayahan.
Syempre, like, I don't want to ruin the fun kasi syempre, di ba, parang, that's kind of annoying.
Pero
kung
you, ano,
I
parang,
keep it, pero, you know, like, there's some times
you
na parang,
take it to heart.
I take it to heart. There's a lot of times na I do.
Mhm.
Pero, like, I kind of, you know, I try to, like, you know, step back real quick and think about what what people were telling me. And obviously, you know, for some reason, you know, I get hurt and, you know, pero it's for the better. Every time someone tells me or they criticize me, for me, it's like, okay, you know, I'll take it. Pero, you know, it's going to hurt me. Pero at the same time, you know, like, what can I do, diba? That's how they think of me.
Yeah, but the thing for me is not, I'm not criticizing when I told you like, oh, you're getting big. I'm being concerned because like sometimes he would plan to like, oh, I'm going on a diet, and as a friend who is like so concerned about my friends, I would literally tell him like, oh, you're getting big, rather than you're getting, you know.
So basically, you keep him in his
at bay.
toes.
Yeah. Like, I need him to be more alert of what he's doing rather than napapabayaan niya na hindi niya nasaset yung goal niya
Yung
in the
parang
right way.
you call him out. Na
Yeah.
lang sa mga,
Like, I would tell you, oh, and you can call me out too. I don't really care because I
Carl?
would literally accept
Carl?
it. I'm getting fat.
I'm just joking.
No, but like, yeah, because for us, our friendship, hindi kami nagkakatampuhan, nag-aasaran lang. Pero may a little bit tampuhan, pero that's a different
Hindi-
kind of
Hindi
tampuhan.
kasi
Hindi
pag
siya tampuhan eh.
nag-aasaran,
Yung asaran
Sa-
natin, hindi
me-
tayo nagtatampuhan
merong
doon.
times na, of course, nagkakapikunan. Pero usually, nagbabatuhan, nagbabalikan. Sa
Yeah,
walang,
yeah. I was like,
oo.
parang
gets
maiwang,
natin
yeah.
yung
Yeah.
humor ng isa't isa.
Yung tampuhan kasi natin, it's not about us, you know, like, trying to,
Yung banter.
yung banter
Yeah, yeah,
natin and
yeah.
everything. Pero it's more like yung, oh, punta ka dito. Tapos sabihin namin,
Yung
we'll let
hindi
you
namin,
know.
hindi kami sumasagot sa mga message.
Yeah, yun lang yung
Exactly.
tampuhan, diba? Like, yun lang yung tampuhan natin. Pero
our
ano,
simple, yung tampuhan
Oh my
namin,
God.
like, simpleng hindi lang tumawag ng 2 linggo, like 2 weeks, he didn't call, I would
Hindi,
literally
kasi
get mad.
meron ding iba dyan kasi na nag-hiatus na ayaw magpapakita. Sino kaya yun?
wait, sino kaya yun?
I wonder who is. No, excuse me lang. The reason why I sometimes not go to them because they always want me to drive there. And it takes me like, what, 45 minutes to drive
Yeah,
there.
Totoo naman.
And then they would be busy. And
Oh,
this
yeah,
girl,
totoo naman.
whenever I visit her house, she would be literally tired all day. I was
Oh,
like,
ay naman
girl,
yung all day.
matutulog na lang ako Para kulang lang sabi na, girl, lumayas ka na, matutulog na kami.
You know why kasi noon, I don't know how to say no. Well, until now kasi.
I
Hindi
think
naman
napilitan ka rin dito sa podcast
No,
mo.
I really wanna do this. Pero kasi before, parang nakakahiyang mag-say no pag kaayaw ko talaga. When, in reality, parang okay lang naman mag-no.
Pero we're actually getting better with that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
oo.
Oh,
Like,
please.
it's
Whenever
okay.
you
I
ask
know,
them to hang out, they would not say no, but they would say maybe.
it's
and then
getting
it was-
better.
It's getting better though. It's really getting better.
And then we would literally wait for them to like till 12 a.m.
Ako ano,
And then they would just reply tomorrow morning.
Kasi
like, oh,
ang
I'm sorry,
feeling
we
ko,
didn't
pag
go.
magsisay no ako, parang ino-offend ko sila when hindi naman yun yung in case. It's your boundaries na din. Hindi naman sila, you can just say no kung hindi nga talaga.
So,
Yeah.
guys, learn to say no.
And I'm still working on it. Kasi talaga mahirap mag-say no ngayon talaga.
You know what? That's the only thing that I cannot
Take away from yourself na,
like it's so hard to say no.
yeah.
Kasi for me, I would express whatever I feel. Like I would never.
I think
literally
sometimes you just
filter
make any excuses then, no?
No, I would literally say what is happening. Di ba nga, whenever you guys tell me like, oh, girl, let's go here, let's hang out and something like that, I would literally tell you like, I'm lazy and I'm tired. You know.
I think we should be like that. We should be like that.
Ako kasi ang hirap sa akin kasi parang magiging ang tingin nila sa akin is, ano ba yan? Ito naman, yung nasa utak ko, yung overthink ng utak ko is ganon.
Oh,
Yung,
that.
Alam mo,
yeah,
I
that
feel bad for doing that too kasi you know, like, I don't like saying no. Pero kasi there's sometimes na parang, obviously, you know, like, kasi may times na pagod ako. So sabi ni Gia, oh, I'll ask Evo. Tapos sometimes pagod siya, oh, I'll ask Gia. So alam mo, parang, I
Kaya
can't
yung
answer you.
questions pa.
So
Diba?
parang, I can answer you right now, pero I'll let you know. And that's like, not a good thing. Pero kasi at the same time, it's really hard to gauge it. Kasi I want to go. For example, you know, oh, nagaya ka sa akin, diba? Parang, oh, let's go out. I'm down to go, pero I don't know if Gia is.
Okay, but this thing though, I just wonder, can you guys go out just by your like? If I ask you to go out with me,
Oh,
can he
we
not
just
go?
talked.
We just talked about that, yeah.
Because
We're really-
they literally cannot be separated. If you invite one of them, both of them are coming. I mean, I don't mind.
Here's the thing.
But the thing is, like, if they would decide, like, literally, I'm gonna ask Gia. Oh, I'm gonna ask Evo. So literally, sometimes I would just never ask.
Here's the thing. Aminado naman kami na we developed na
Yeah.
codependent kami sa
Mhm.
isa't isa.
Which is not good.
We're trying to work on it. Kasi talagang totoo 'yon. Like pag gusto kong umalis, gusto ko kasama siya kasi we want to experience
Experience things together, yeah.
I
And
know
the
that.
same with him. Pero we talked about that na sometimes it
We
should
have
be
to.
okay with
Yeah.
Yeah, that you
Each
guys
other.
have each other
Yeah.
like different worlds.
yeah.
But I mean, you guys have. I mean, yeah, you are in a relationship. You guys have
Hmm.
same worlds. The thing is, like, you guys have different kind of hobbies, though.
Yeah.
So rather than na meron kayong sariling, you know, hobbies na may sarili kayong personality, may sarili kayong stories to tell each other and to tell other people.
We have the same
You
stories.
guys have the same
na-
story. So
Mm-mm.
was like
Yeah.
literally vlogging at the same house. Like walang bago.
That's true.
That's true.
Kaya nga, yeah, we just talked about it. Kailan tayo nag-usap nun?
Like the other day.
yeah,
Actually, whenever I was like, well, pwede kung may sakit si Gia, then just go with us. I was like, I don't know.
Hindi, kasi for me, it's like, well, I don't know.
Yeah, just say it. It's okay. It's okay. It's an open space.
No, it's No,
it's an open space.
Hindi, like for me naman kasi, like, kunyari, di ba syempre, like, ano ako anxious ako eh. Like, I'm
wow, spell.
A-N shoes.
A-N
It's
shoes.
A-N shoes.
Yeah.
No, I'm a very anxious person.
Have you
so.
taken the test?
The what?
Are
Like
you
the
anxious?
attachment?
Yeah.
Attachment issues or
Attachment style.
didn't we took it when we were going in the Panda Express thing?
Oh, I think
And
so.
my thing is like word of affirmation. Oh
no,
no,
that's the
Bu-
language.
love language.
We'll talk about that in the
Later.
next one.
Maybe that's another episode.
That's another episode.
That's another episode.
Yeah, but you were saying
I forgot.
Well, okay. What do you guys yung love language?
Love language.
There we go.
I just took mine. Remember, I think my first one is
Acts of
acts
service.
of service. Second is what's my second?
I don't know my second.
Touch.
That's the only first.
Oh no, no,
right?
no, no.
Touch.
Quality time.
Quality time.
Quality time.
Yeah, for me, number one sa akin, quality time.
Mm.
I
And
think
then
we're
second
both.
is
Touch. Words of
ba or
affirmation.
physical touch?
I think words of affirmation.
So we're basically both the same. Like,
Mm.
cause for me, quality time is very
Excuse me.
important.
That's your first.
Yeah, that's my first.
Quality time.
Quality time, and I don't know my second, but I'm really sure it's words of affirmation. Because
Mm.
I lack emotional what do you call that? Like, it's like in a camera thing. Like, I can see it that you love me, but when you view it out of the camera view, and I don't see it, I would literally question your love.
Carl,
Mm.
I love you.
Ew.
So you like people complimenting you.
No, not complimenting. I just need affirmation every time. Like, I
Oh.
need something to hold on to.
I'm proud of you.
No, to
You're doing
to
a
make
great job.
sure that
To
they
make sure
love
that
you.
you're. Sometimes I would literally say like if you didn't if I'm used to talking to you every day and you didn't message me for a day, I would
you'll overthink.
I would overthink and would literally say
you need a lot of reassurance.
yeah.
That's what it
I would
is.
literally say like, oh do you hate me? Like, am I bothering you? Like, are you talking to other people? Sometimes so I have an issue when it comes to my attachment to other people because I get so easily attached. Especially friends or kaya kakamit ko lang na tao. If I hang out with you the whole day, I would literally look for you every day. That's how I got
Really?
attached. And sometimes it's a personal thing na nagiging kind of a little bit toxic for me.
Oh.
So I'm gonna do is like I'm the one who's gonna control myself to stop thinking about the whole day. I would literally stop thinking about you. I was just focused on my game, on my stuff, and that would make me so depressed because it's so hard to control because it's like it's like emotional for me. Na parang too much emotions. Na parang, but I still want to talk to him. I still want to do this and stuff like that. But the thing is like it's getting out of control, so I have to under control. You know.
So
something like that.
so parang hino-hold off mo yung sarili mo din.
yeah.
Now, this person wants that connection with you too, pero you're holding it back kasi you feel like it's getting too much.
It is. I prefer people talking to me first rather than me talking to them.
Kasi nafe-feel mo siguro na parang one-sided na yung
Yeah, I feel like I'm the one who's
you're initiating always.
yeah, like I literally feel na I'm the only one who's interested in
Oh.
being like, you know, friends or, you know, something romantic and stuff like that. I would literally think na if you didn't even message me, I would not message you. Kasi ayoko nang pag minessage kita, I would be bothering you or something like that. Napapaisip ako na, am I bothering you? I'm so sorry. Something like that. Like, especially if you didn't reply hella fast. Oh my God.
No, you're not
You're
bothering
anxious.
me.
I think you're anxious when it comes to
Yeah, something like, yeah.
Yeah,
You
you're
know what?
anxious.
That's why I hate texting Evo. Evo doesn't do replies and stuff like
No,
that.
I'm
He
bad.
prefers calls. I prefer call
Calls.
too. That's why.
Yeah, because for me, texting, it doesn't get the message. If that makes sense. Kasi syempre, di ba, parang sabi, you know, text ako sa'yo. Let's say, yung parang madali siyang ma-misunderstand.
Yeah, kasi walang tono.
Walang
yung
tono.
text.
Kasi for me, it's like, you know, I'm anxious, di ba? Syempre, pag nag-text ka sa akin, na parang, you know, like something,
Yeah, it magbe-miss.
misunderstood
Misunderstood
or misinterpret.
interpret.
Yeah, so for me, it's like calling is just like easy. You know, like especially when I drive.
Mhm.
I'm not gonna text while I'm driving, so I would rather call.
Ako naman, when it comes to arguments, of course, I like calls. Kasi when parang
Right.
chichikahan lang kayo, it's better na
Mhm.
calls. Pero when it comes to arguments, I like texting more.
I know,
Kasi
scary.
It
My God.
gets my message across na wala akong namimiss na details.
Alam mo yung
Kasi
ano?
skip.
Oo.
Alam mo yung meme na nag-text yung girlfriend niya. Tapos sobrang haba. Yung scroll na siya na scroll.
Pero that way, mas na ko yung nararamdaman ko, na-explain ko, you know? Kesa, pag kasi, ang tendency pag nagko-calls, parang it's driven by emotions
Mhm.
na kung ano lang yung nafe-feel
Nasa-
ko,
mm.
yun lang yung masasabi ko. Hindi ko na enunciate. Wow, enunciate.
Oh,
Yung
the
nararamdaman
paraphrase.
The paraphrase.
No,
You
but the
know.
thing is, like, for me, when it comes to like fighting, I cannot do like emotional talk.
Yung, ano yung tawag doon?
Oh, I really appreciate you and stuff like that. If it's call and in person, I would not say anything. I was like, okay, but I'm so used to Evo because Evo is like that. He always
Yeah.
say that,
I
and
know.
I'm so used to that. Na I think I adapt that. Na it's okay na I'm not awkward to say like, no, you are an attractive person. I would literally say that to you. You're an attractive person.
Yeah.
You're maganda. You're guapo and stuff.
Hindi kasi
like that.
ano,
That's what I like about Evo too. Kasi
No, 'cause-
It's
hindi
so
siya,
expressive.
Mm.
Yeah.
I don't
hindi
know.
siya
I think in our
nahihiya
friend group,
mag-express.
like, I'm the only expressive one. What I,
mean,
noticed.
I am expressive.
I
but-
can be expressive too. But
Hindi, pero like,
but
not
I
like,
mean not choose.
Yeah.
I don't choose.
kasi ako like,
I don't wanna
you know, when
choose.
we hang out, diba? Like, if I felt that it was the right moment, like, you know, during the birthday, yung birthday mo nung umalis tayo, diba? Yung parang, it was a memory. It was a core memory. And that's why I was like, you know, like, remember I was like, I love you guys. And this is gonna, this is gonna stay with me.
Wow.
Yeah, kasi like,
Solid.
I hold that dearly. I hold that dearly. I'm very,
For me, when it comes to like fighting though, like arguments and stuff like that, I prefer calls.
Really?
Cause I wanna literally say everything I'm feeling right now.
Sa akin kasi makakalimutan ko lahat. Like, I don't,
Well,
hindi ko
because you
masasabi.
cry a lot when
Oh yeah,
you
that's
got
true.
mad.
Yeah.
When I got mad, I'm mad. I'm not gonna
Mm.
cry. Why would I get? I'm gonna cry when it's like breaking up and stuff like that. Like.
Mm.
Yeah, but I never break up with someone. So if I stop talking to someone or like I'm not interested in dating someone anymore, I cannot break through that.
So
thing.
you're just gonna wait for them to break up with you?
Or yeah.
Or you're gonna ghost them?
No, I never ghost.
I never
Ghosting,
ghost. I hate.
don't.
I would
Don't ghost.
literally say, I would like there is this guy that I've dated before, and then I was having some problems of like stopping this kind of thing because I'm not really interested in a relationship at that time,
Mhm.
and I'm a bit not interested in him too,
Mhm.
but I cannot say no and I cannot stop talking to him because I don't want to be mean. And, so I was asking Cram, my friend, you know Cram, right?
Yes,
Mark?
Cram. Shout out Cram.
Hi, Mark.
Hi, Mark.
Hi, Mark.
They
Miss
all
you.
know that
I miss
because
you.
Cram is my best friend since high school. And we introduced each other as fiancé to them.
That was
I know,
crazy.
I'm so confused.
That's
They
a
were like-
great story to tell for the next
Right.
one.
And then the thing is, like, I told him, it's like, Cram, how do I,
How do I express?
paano ko titigilan to kausapin? Ayoko na siya kausap and stuff.
Mm.
And Cram was like, just ghost him. I was like, what?
No,
No, I
I
don't want to
don't.
do that because I know how it felt na
Yeah.
mag-ghost. And being ghosted kind of sucks because, like, you talk very, like, it's a good conversation. You guys have a good conversation, and after that, it's nothing. It's just vanished.
What
Like,
happened then?
so I literally told him, like, hey, I'm not really interested in dating. I'm just looking for friends. But
Mm.
since you're looking for dating, I think it's not for me.
Wow.
But yeah,
At least, kasi I really don't like ghosting people.
yeah, I mean,
It's-
who do that? That's so
That's so
fucked
mean.
It is. It is.
It's really mean.
Yeah, it's really mean.
up. Hoy, I never ghost.
I know.
Okay.
I did before too.
I just see
did.
ghosts, but I don't
I
see.
don't.
I
but
did,
don't
and
ghost.
it wasn't nice.
Yeah.
It's not. I cannot. I don't. I mean, it's so awkward.
Mm.
Yeah, it is.
Well, I have a question for you guys.
What is
What's your best or your favorite memory of us friends?
Of each other.
Yeah, your favorite.
My favorite. You know what?
For
your
me.
birthday.
Oh really? Oh yeah. The
Oh my
beach.
God, that was-
That's really good.
Oh my
That is so
God.
good. Like,
Yeah.
we're just chilling,
The
and
waves.
we went to beach. We went to Stingson.
And then the
Sense.
best thing about that is the
What?
people that we hanged out with before, like, Sydney, Brian.
Mhm.
We got a chance to hang out with them after a long,
a long
time.
time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, it's been so long since we've met. We've seen.
We've hang out
We
with
hang
them.
out with
Brian.
them. Yeah, Brian especially.
Brian especially,
And we're proud of you, Brian. I mean, graduating from Santa Cruz, right?
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
crazy. It's-
That's so good. Like, it's so fun that we just hang out there, and we didn't do a lot. We didn't eat that. We didn't eat. Like
I know. When we got there, diba naalala mo, it was just like, oh, it was chill.
Wait, you were talking about another beach day.
no, with Brian.
With Brian,
Oh,
remember
one
the
in Santa
volleyball?
Cruz?
Yeah, the one in
Oh,
Santa Cruz, yeah.
That's true.
Not with the one with
Oh yeah, I know what you're talking
Yeah.
about.
Not that one, but
But you enjoyed Stinson too.
I mean, Stinson was cool.
But I'm talking about not with Trisha.
Ah.
Because I know Trisha is we went to Santa Cruz too
Yeah,
with Trisha and
yeah. With
Jervin.
Jervin, yeah.
yeah.
what's up, guys?
Hi.
Hi.
So
Subscribe, girl.
girl,
Subscribe, like, subscribe, and share.
I know you're
Support.
busy. Support us. Just kidding.
Supportahan ka namin.
But so I really had fun because we're just so quiet there and we're just enjoying.
I know, si
the
Brian nga,
moment.
di ba, natulog lang.
Yeah. And
There's no weird vibe or
yeah, it's
anything.
just
It's
literally hang out,
Yeah.
hang
It was so
out.
nice.
And then how long was that? Like
that
a
was
week,
like
right?
3 days.
3 days? 3 days of
trip.
nonstop like hanging out, diba? Like
Mm.
the first one was with Sydney. Stinson.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That was
that's
super
it.
fun. Like that was super fun. The second day was Santa Cruz.
And
And then the third day was Solvang. that was
Yeah. Solvang is
oh
so
my
fun.
god, so fun.
I love that.
We got there super late,
Such a
so
lovely-
everything was just like
lovely-
started
Yeah.
closing down.
But it's so fun though.
Yeah.
It's like
I-
a 5-hour, 6-hour drive,
It
and then
was
we stayed there
worth
for
it.
like
That
2
is like
hours.
my-
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? No, that's like my
The second
newest. Like no, like the new core
core
memory.
memory.
Core.
But the core memory that I have that I really really like to do, like that I miss when we went to
Santa Cruz.
the when we went to the where's that the lake
Yuba.
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 Oh.
That one.
Oh
that
my
is my core
god.
memory.
Yeah, I would never forget that.
I would never forget
so,
that.
oh my god, so annoying too.
It's so stressful,
Sorry.
but it's so memorable.
Yeah.
Remember when we're just hanging out on the lake and then we're just cooking and then we didn't
Dun-
even know that it was a naked
Yeah.
lake
Girl,
hangout thing.
yung ano lang, yung journey to go to that freaking lake.
Para
Oh my
para
god.
tayong nasa RPG, parang Final
I know.
Fantasy.
So we went to Yuba and we went to this lake because like our friend asked us to like told
To
us to
just
like
hang out.
just hang out in there just swim and stuff.
Birthday ba ng kung sino yan or no?
No, we
it's
just-
an out of
it was
trip.
just like
so we I
random.
think we used my van
Yeah.
that time, right? Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, it's
Oh yeah, it is.
Is it my van?
Oh hindi, magkahiwalay.
I don't remember.
I don't remember, but I know it's my van.
Yeah, it should be. It should be.
The only thing I remember from is the cooler.
I know.
I hate.
The fucking
the
coolers,
Your
man.
laptop.
Ay, sorry.
iPad ko yan. Don't hit it.
The
So,
fucking coolers,
that's
but
so messed
that's
up.
like
So
Don't
so
wanna
we
dwell
went
into
there, and before you go into the lake, you have to hike.
There's a
And our
long
friend
line.
is into exercising, and he wanted to hike.
Oh my
a
god.
long and high hike. Like it's so tiring, and we're carrying
And
a
everyone's
cooler.
getting cranky na.
Yeah, because we're carrying a grill and a cooler, and the cooler is big. It's just not like
and
a
it's
small cooler.
filled with
It's filled with
Oysters.
Oh my god.
And then we were
crazy.
like hiking, and everyone's carrying something, and everything is heavy.
Yeah.
So we were like carrying stuff, and our friend suggested like to go even
Further.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
farther.
Further.
Anyway,
Anyway.
so
We're not
we're not
We're
the type of-
Filipinos,
yeah,
so-
we're not the type of person who can like hike.
we're not physically
Yeah, we're not
fit.
physically fit.
Yeah.
I was
wasn't about to say
enjoying I
physically
was enjoying the like halfway through. I was just like halfway through. I was like, I was like, damn. Fuck
No,
this, bro.
you know that hike, you can see the personality of everyone.
Yeah, so
One's getting cranky,
I saw
one's
that too.
so angry
So
But-
and annoyed.
I always complain. I was like, bro, can we just take an
Impatient.
Uber?
Complainers.
so that's what I saw this on Instagram na parang like how can you tell if they're real friends, diba? So I saw this, and then yung sa pinaka post dun sa Instagram was like go to a 1 week camping trip.
Mhm.
And that's how you're gonna see
I
You're
saw
their
gonna-
that on
personality.
You're
Instagram.
gonna see their
And then
true
even
self.
so,
personality.
I was like, when I read that, I was like, naalala ko yung nangyari nga during the Yuba,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
Yuba Lake. Sabi ko, oh my God, that's so true. Di ba pinakita ko pa sa'yo, sabi
Yeah.
ko, eto ganito siyang tao, eto ganito siyang tao, eto ganito.
Yeah.
Tapos eto
Yung
nang
isa,
isay.
hinihingal pa.
Isay.
and then the other one, that's the core memory. The one who's shaking.
Yun ang hinihingal.
Nang isay,
Oy,
bro.
baka magalit yun
Oh,
sa
I'm so
atin.
sorry.
Wag mo na sabihin
Oh,
kung sino yan.
just don't
You
name
know
it.
who you are. You know who you are.
But,
That
yung
was-
part na yun, talagang,
That is
that's
so funny.
core memory.
I know. I still remember what happened.
And then we're like, everyone is like laughing. Not laughing because of him. We're laughing because Evo's reaction is so
Yeah.
OA.
So,
Hindi
that,
kasi syempre naman, di ba?
I was
I'm
like,
really concerned.
water. Give him water.
Water, maligo ka doon. Punta ka
kasi-
doon sa baba.
Kasi naman, di ba? Like, it was super hot though. Like, it was
is
really hot. So,
and we're hiking.
we're hiking. And, di ba siya?
And he has a thyroid
Or
problem.
any condition.
Yeah, he has
Yeah.
a condition.
Yeah, so, yun, punta nga tayo dun, di ba? Parang, syempre, like, he has a problem, diba? Like, we didn't even know during that time.
Mm.
So sabi ko, syempre, like, dude, nangingisay ito. Like, nanginginig talaga, diba? So,
he
he
is
is,
shaking
yeah,
because
he
it's so
was.
hot.
And it was,
And we're hiking.
tapos
And it's
yung
so
parang yung
far.
sweats niya, diba? Para sabi niya, cold sweats
Yeah,
na
it's
siya.
a
So
cold
sabi ko, that's not good, diba? Kasi,
Yeah.
diba, like, that's not
Yeah,
good. So,
and that's why I'm so concerned. But the thing is, like, the way you react is so funny.
sorry, I just like doing
he
that.
is what do you call that? An
Volunteer.
EMT,
Volunteer
Volunteer
firefighter.
to-
a volunteer firefighter, and then
'Cause
has
I
an
experienced
EMT
that.
thing.
I experienced that too,
Mhm.
like
You
cold
know what to
sweats
do
and I know what to
kasi.
do.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And the funny thing is, like, he just dropped everything. Was like, boom, grab the water. Maligo ka.
Hindi kasi
And I
syempre
was
like
laughing because, like,
no,
I was
because
like, oh my god,
you
you're
know
so
what?
OA.
Like ang sabi nila sa akin, quote me if I'm wrong, and like don't quote me on it. Pero um, diba heat stress is the
Mhm.
very beginning, and then a few like 10-15 minutes later, it's gonna be heat stroke.
Mhm.
Kasi I experienced that na yung nagte-training kami before.
Yeah.
It was it was during diba dito sa Sacramento, it was
Mhm.
really hot during
It is
summertime.
really hot.
So we were doing wildland training, and I experienced that. It was super hot. It's like 110, 115 degrees,
Mhm.
diba? And I wasn't even hot. I was cold.
Yeah.
And
That's
then
dangerous.
yeah, that was dangerous. So they stopped. They were like, "Hey, stop. Go inside. Go inside the like the covers, and like don't do anything. Just
Well,
drink water."
So that's why you're like, go to the water.
No, because
yeah,
it
that's
is.
why
Kasi
you react
like
that.
yeah,
Okay,
that's
get
because
it.
I felt that before. I experienced that twice,
Yeah.
and it's not fun.
Mm.
I mean, the only reason why we laugh because we know Evo. Evo is the type of person who reacts.
Was very expressive.
Yeah, so OA.
Oh.
Grabe naman kayo.
and the reason why I laugh because we reenact everything. And that person who is shaking, we are concerned. But the thing
Yeah.
is, like, we're just laughing because of his Evo's reaction.
No, at that time we're not laughing, of course, because we're
Yeah, yeah,
worried
because
about
we're
him.
in
I think the part
But
when you
then
guys
we're-
laughed when
when
we
we
went
think
down
about that-
when we went down there, we're like, bro, let's go down
Yeah.
there.
Yeah,
No
when
water.
everything comes down, then we just laugh at it. Like,
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah,
but
pero
we were
ano,
so concerned because that
we didn't
Hindi
know.
pa tayo masyadong close dun sa
Okay,
kanya
yeah,
din,
we're not that
diba?
close to that person yet.
Yeah, pero
That's why we're so concerned.
Yeah, we were so.
That's why we're so concerned.
Ngayon hindi na.
No, we're so concerned about him. But like that time, it was scary because
Yeah.
we were gonna take a response. We
Yeah,
are
and-
responsible.
and
Yeah, I mean,
Nandun
that,
tayo
right?
sa...
hey, I mean, if one person is down in our team, then we're all down.
Yeah.
So that's like the scariest part when
That's why I
that
told
happened.
him like to carry my bag because like my bag is so like lightweighted.
Yeah.
Just grabe, hindi
'Cause
ko
it's just
hindi ko
food.
makalimutan yung coolers, bro.
Oh my
But
God,
yeah,
that's
but the thing is like that's my core memory. It was so fun.
masaya after nung nangyari
After
na
the
yun.
hike,
It was really
and then we're
good.
just like at the lake. It's so fun.
Tas
But
naalala-
the funny
lake
thing
is
is like
really cold.
the funny thing is like we didn't know that it was a
Nude beach.
nude lake thing. Like
yeah.
like everyone should be naked at that lake.
Yeah.
And then when we went there,
Wait lang, kwento mo muna yung nag-cut pa si ano ng sibuyas.
Oh yeah, yung nag-grill
I didn't know
tayo.
that.
Di ba? Nagdala siya ng isda ba yun? Tapos
Yeah,
pinalamanan
bangus,
pa niya ng
bangus,
bangus,
Oh, yeah,
ng
yeah.
kamatis.
Yung gumawa
Yeah,
siya
was
nun,
really
di ba?
good.
Oh my
Tapos
god, yeah, we grilled.
Yeah,
And you're not allowed to grill.
no, so we didn't know that
Yeah,
until
we didn't know that.
may lumapit sa atin, diba? Yung nakahubad
So,
daw.
yeah,
so,
so
it was,
That's
it was,
how we found out.
That's how we found
Yeah.
out.
No, it was a naked. So the reason why we found out that it was a naked hangout thing on the lake is because we were grilling. We were grilling something, and you are not allowed to like
Yeah, because we were
set fire.
yeah,
on
we were
the-
so oblivious,
'cause
diba?
Because
Yeah,
it's
we didn't know
forest.
po.
We
I'm
didn't
sorry.
know.
We
We're
didn't know.
Sorry.
We're so sorry. It was
'Cause it
a
was during the
forest.
summertime
Yeah,
too,
it was
so-
summertime
Yeah.
too, and it was like panahon ng mga
Wildfires, yeah.
and then we grilled something like we grilled bangus, milkfish, and then stuff
The
like hot dog,
oysters.
oysters, and
Oysters.
stuff like that. And then all of a sudden, there is this lady, a naked lady, confronted us, and we remember we're all Filipinos.
And we were
Catholic.
We're
tired
not
too.
used to.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were tired
We
at that
were
point too.
tired.
Diba? So
Yeah.
parang
And,
like for us, there's like, oh, there's a good spot. Let's stay
We
there.
are
Diba?
Filipinos. We are Catholic, and we are a conservative. Used to be.
Used to be.
and it is surprising that you can see everything
Yeah,
when there
I
is a naked body in
know.
front of you.
No,
and
because
talking to
we
you.
were so oblivious. Nagulat na lang tayo, diba? Kasi, nasa harap ko siya, diba? Nag-grill siya. Tapos bilang
Who
sabi
is
niya,
speaking with her?
Me, I am the
Oh.
one who
yeah,
talks
so
to
diba tatlo tayo nandun,
Yeah.
magkakatabi tayo, tapos diba nakaupo lang ako, nandun sila nag-swimming. Tapos yung babae lumapit, diba? Hey guys, so tumingin ako, so I didn't know where to look. Sorry. I didn't mean to be disrespectful, but I didn't know where to
Their
look.
first issue is they don't know where to look. And I was like, just look at the forehead.
No, because we were so oblivious, because as soon as we dropped there, diba, parang, we didn't even know until that situation happened.
Uh-huh.
Tapos, after nung kinonfront niya tayo, oh my God, I slowly look around on the left side of the, after
Yeah,
that
yeah.
They're
big stone,
all-
they're all naked. And I was like, damn, that was a thing. Tapos daw si Gia sabi niya, nakatingin sa akin, sa manatingin sa niya, tumitingin ka ba?
Oy, I don't remember.
No, I'm just joking.
But yeah,
That
is
was
like
that was crazy.
It was fun. I love that. I love that memory. That's why I keep on asking.
Because
you
of
guys.
the nude.
No, not the good part. It's because all of my friends were at the same
Yeah.
place and were experiencing the
That
same.
was a good
the beautiful
time.
That was a
thing.
good time. And then,
Really
like
good time.
at that point, I'm not a very observant person until now.
Mhm.
Pero before, now looking at it, talking about it now, like it's just, now I kind of see, like, oh, this person is this. This
Yeah.
person is this person. Like you can tell what
But
their attitude
what's
is.
your core memory of each other?
A lot, actually. There's a lot.
Core,
Pero
core memory natin, core memory nyo, core memory.
so for me, obviously the core memory for me and
Kasi ako
Gia.
core memory ko with everyone.
Core memory ko, like the most for me with Gia.
Nangangalay ako.
No, you're good, you're good. Okay lang. For me, like, there's a lot kasi, pero I would say yung
Ano ba yung
yung nag-Utah tayo.
Oh yeah, I was
That
gonna
was-
say that.
That was like one of the best memories I've had with,
That was
Gia.
crazy too.
or I have with Gia.
That was the longest.
That was the
drive
longest
too.
drive, like,
Yeah.
Diba, I think we were talking, diba? Parang like I was texting you, we were calling. Yeah, it was like I drove 12 hours.
Dumiretso tayo
Mhm.
sa Yuba. Ay,
Yu-
no, not
Yuba.
Yuba. Sorry, sorry.
You bub.
Sa Utah.
Utah, yeah,
first.
first. So that was really fun. That was like one of the best memories I have.
And that
Kasi,
tested our relationship too.
yeah, that tested our relationship a
Because
lot.
the first day, we
Because that
got
was the
there,
first time ever that we
we went
went
trip.
on a trip by
Yes.
just the two of us.
Oo.
that tested
Tapos-
our relationship. Like, oh
Oh.
my God.
And then we decided to go on a hike for like 10 miles. What the heck?
I know.
Really?
Mount Zion. Honestly, Mount Zion, very
It's
beautiful.
Beautiful.
Probably the best time, like the best time to go there is probably like closely before summertime.
Before
No,
summer.
before summertime or
summer.
before fall. Because,
Because
oh my
it was really
God.
hot. Yeah.
We were going up
My
and down.
God,
Oh my
we
God.
went there. We went on a hike. We're not prepared. Like we had.
We only had like
three-
6
three
bottles of
bot-
water.
Six ba?
It was 6.
bottles of
It was
water.
6 bottles of water.
Oh my God.
And then,
it's
ano,
crazy.
umakit
And
kami, diba? It
It's
took us
uphill too.
uphill. So, when you reach basically like, not the summit, but like before the summit, we're like, damn, we're here. We were so tired, right? Like, it
No,
was
but
super
like-
fun. Pero like,
Like the pataas tayo. I was so tired, irritated, annoyed.
I
Kasi-
know.
Kasi mas sanay siya sa hike sa akin. So,
'Cause I have,
ang
ano,
technique niya is, we just go.
On a steady pace. Not
Yeah,
like,
steady.
don't stop.
I
Don't
can't
stop.
do that kasi talagang hinihingal ako. So,
Ay, may hika siya? Are you
sabi ko,
forgetting that?
ano ba
Hindi kasi
naman
gusto niya rin pumunta talaga. Like, she wanted to
Yeah.
hike.
And
Yeah, I
didn't
know, but like
expect-
she has asthma though.
Yeah,
I mean, she probably didn't think about it that time.
yeah, pero it was really fun.
It was really fun.
Pero nung pababa kami,
My God. 6
wala
bottles of
na
water,
kaming
diba?
water.
Wala na, bro.
Maski
Ubus na.
Yung katiting na drop ng water
Talagang
bottle.
sinisimot na namin. So, anong nangyari? Pag-akit namin
Mahihimatay
doon,
na
diba?
ako nun, my
Pag-akit
gosh.
namin doon, we were okay. We're like, damn, this is beautiful. Tapos
It was
meron pang
really good.
Angel's Landing.
Yeah.
So that's a different mountain. It's very like,
And,
it was the challenging hike.
yeah.
So
it's
she wa-
another thing.
there's
Yeah.
another thing. So I was go, oh, let's go. Sabi niya, ikaw na lang. So syempre, ayoko naman siya iwan kasi she was tired, diba? So sabi ko, okay, let's just go down,
Talagang
you know,
hindi
like,
ko na kaya.
yeah, so went down. Halfway through, naubusan kami ng water.
Tubig. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Talaga.
Talagang pati yung drops talaga yung sinasabi
Like-
niya. Like, alam mo yung pag uminom ka ng water bottle, di ba? Tapos, naubos mo na. Tapos, alam mo yung mga parang pasingit-singit lang na drops?
Yeah.
Ginaganon na namin. Alam mo, parang kaming, nagsurvive sa, parang kami
Desierto.
stranded. Tapos,
I can feel
pagbaba,
my
my
tongue.
God.
So
Talagang
that's your
dry
core
na
memory
dry.
Mhm.
Oo,
with
yun.
her.
With her, yeah. And then,
What's your core memory with him though?
I was gonna say that too, pero let me think.
Okay, then what's your core memory with me? Kasi ang core memory ko with you
Damn.
is when we go to a Japanese restaurant.
Yung ba yung nag-homework ako?
So that's our first hangout.
First
like,
hangout ever.
ever. Yeah, first hangout.
No,
na
like, after,
nung meet
no,
natin.
kasi when I was here in
Oh, you know
Sacramento,
what? No,
we didn't go
not
out that
Japanese.
much.
No, we went to Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Oh.
Kasi yun yung time na
Nagbe-break kami nun ba?
Yeah.
Is it? No.
No, that was
That's a
a different
That's a
time.
different-
Pero yung nag-Jollibee kami.
Kasi ang rami.
Ang dami.
Kasi naalala mo yun yung pumunta pa tayo sa
Yeah.
Paris
And
Patisserie.
then the
Tapos
cup,
yung sa
the
gas
purple
station.
cow, something. Purple cow ba yun? Or the milk tea thing?
It's over here in
Yeah.
no, Lazy Cow. Kasi di ba dapat
Lazy
pumunta
Cow,
tayo in
yeah, yeah.
Davis. Pero sabi ko, it's kind of far away. Tapos sabi mo, di ba, meron dito. Pumunta kaming Lazy Cow. Di ba, nag-drive tayo together. Nagpunta
then-
kami Lazy Cow. Nagpunta
Yeah,
kami sa
that's-
gas station.
That's my
Nagpunta
core
kami
memory
sa...
with him. Kasi nagda-drive lang kami out somewhere na magustuhan namin. And then, yeah, that never happens anymore.
Hindi kasi rin eh.
I cannot say any core memory with you kasi hindi naman tayo nag-hangout ng tayong dalawa lang, girl.
Alam mo ang natatandaan ko lang ngayon with you.
Ano?
Yung pumunta tayo dun sa debut nung kaibigan ni Given.
Ay, oo nga.
Yung tayong
Yun
dalawa lang
oo,
yun.
Yung tayong dalawa lang yun.
Nasa ano pa ako nun?
Like yung umiyak pa ako kasi alam ko yung mangyayari.
That was so
was
funny.
like-
I was like, girl, di mo kasal.
There's people dancing in front and I was crying.
That is so funny though.
Yeah,
That is
it
so
was-
funny.
Pero inisip ko yung sa amin ni Evo eh.
Ano bang?
I would think yung Utah din. Yung
Alam
nandun
mo,
tayo sa tent. Yung
That was
nandun lang
super
tayo
nice.
sa tent.
Yeah. Hindi
Yeah.
kami natulog sa labas kasi so it was a beautiful place. Like I
Yeah.
can if we still have the Airbnb stuff, we could, share it.
Yeah, we
in the,
stayed
ano.
on a
It's like a RV, yeah. It was super
trailer.
beautiful. The people there are super nice.
Yeah.
May
We
dogs
stayed-
sila, may
I just realized na marami tayong core memory.
Yeah.
Like we
A lot.
hang out a lot.
lot.
Remember when we
A
hang
lot.
out when we played Monopoly till 6
Puta.
a.m. and you have work? So
Oh
she
my
stayed,
God.
She stayed like till 6 a.m.
Because
she
I thought
that
na
she's gonna win
mananalo
sa
ako.
Monopoly.
Oh my gosh.
And it turns
Tapos-
out I'm the one who won.
Tapos naalala mo yung di ba naglaro tayo Monopoly? Tapos nag-text ka sa amin. Sabi mo, guys, merong Monopoly credit card.
Oh, I got the Monopoly credit card, and I was like, okay,
Oh
I
my
have a
God.
mission.
Oh
I'm
my God,
gonna
that's
find that.
Honestly, that's one of my core memories with you. Probably not like the
Oh,
highest
and you
one.
also went to SF just to get that,
Yeah,
right?
just
We
to
went
buy
to
that.
Stonestown
Stonestown,
yeah.
ceremony.
Kasama pa natin silang dalawa.
Si Given ata.
Given and RJ. Yeah.
Yeah.
Tapos pumunta pa tayo, di ba? Like, ako pa yung
I
nag-drive.
know, that is
Grabe.
so funny.
I wasn't there.
No, because you
Nasa
were
work.
working.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you were working at
Kasi
the
di ba,
time.
nag-text ako sa'yo, sabi ko sa'yo, bibili kami ng Monopoly. Kasi off ako nun eh. Sabi ko, bibili kami ng
Nilaro
Monopoly.
ba
Sabi
natin
niya, ha?
yun?
We
Yeah,
did, and it was so fast.
Yeah.
It was not the same thing as the old Monopoly thing, like with paper.
Do you
money
still
and
have
stuff
that
like-
over here?
I still have that. It's
Somewhere.
not here.
It's
It's
somewhere.
somewhere. But yeah, that is so good though.
Marami na tayong pinagdaanan.
We
I know.
did really
Really.
experience a lot of stuff.
Marami
Especially
din conflicts na, my gosh.
Na like, it's to the point na no return. Pero we still did.
Yeah.
yeah. It
But, you
the
know,
first what's your first tampo sa akin though?
I don't really remember.
To me, do we have any kind
Ang
of
pinaka natatandaan ko lang na conflict natin na talagang masakit sa akin, yung tinago ko sa inyo na nagkabalikan.
Yeah.
yeah.
Yung talaga tumaktak sa akin yun na I feel so bad kasi nga.
I felt so betrayed at that time, to
I
be
know,
honest.
I
And I was
know.
so mad, but I cannot stay mad because I realized
I was
na
embarrassed din.
I don't have a right to get mad. But the thing is, like, you guys played with my feelings,
I
and it
know.
really
I know.
hurts. I was like, you can literally tell me if you guys are going back together, because I was trying to
I
help
know.
each of you. Like, I would literally split myself just to hang
Pupunta
out with
pa
you
tayo
in a
ng
different
Davis
day.
noon. Just,
Yeah. And I was like,
crying.
oh, I'm gonna hang out with Evo at this week. Oh, I'm gonna hang out with you this week or this day. And I'm literally
Or in context, nag-break po ulit
yeah,
kami
they
nun.
broke up at that time, and as a friend of both of them, because Gia has this thing na the reason why I'm talking to her is because I'm friends with Evo, and I'm just being considerate when it comes to like, kasi they are in a
And then they
relationship.
became really good friends.
But we are we
I
are
know,
friends.
yeah, we
I mean,
are
I
Or
treat them
they're
as
really good
friends
friends.
separately from their
Yeah.
relationship,
Mhm.
to be honest. And if someone did something wrong, I would not tolerate that
Yeah.
friend. I would literally tell you what you did wrong,
Yeah.
and I would not on your side, even though we're
And then
friends.
that's why that's the reason why we named this podcast as well.
just us
Just us friends, 'cause-
And I was so offended because like they broke up, and I literally told Gia that, oh, if you guys are going back, just tell me so that I won't be I won't be bothered to do stuff na I'm not really supposed to do, na magse-separate ako ng days, like
Yeah.
pag hindi available, pag mag-hangout kami ni Evo, hindi ako oo sa kanya, hihanapan ko siya ng ibang set of day.
Yeah.
And then literally I'm the one who's adjusting for both of them kasi
Kaya nga, sorry na, girl.
I'm a friend.
We're sorry.
and,
We're sorry.
And my instinct is so strong. Like I would literally notice everything changes. And I was hanging out with our friend RJ, and I was like, you know what? Let's go to Gia's house. And when we went there, like they didn't expect me to go there, so I was like just walking silently, because when you walk to their house, you would literally hear every crick.
And especially with Bailey there, our
Yeah.
our baby dog.
So I think Bailey was not there yet.
He was.
Sorry.
He is?
Yeah,
Okay.
he was.
So
Or he is.
So
Yes,
when you
sorry.
enter Gia's house, before you go in front of when you're in front of the door and before you go
There's
in,
there's
you would
blinds.
literally see a window,
There's
to
with
her room.
blinds.
and there are like blinds. But like, in blinds, you can literally see when you look down, right? And their blinds is a little bit loose, so you literally can see inside of it. And I saw Evo there. They were like broken up, and Evo is there sleeping with her. And I was so mad, and I knocked, and I pretended I didn't see anything. And then she got scared. She was like, "Girl, why you here?" I was like, "Nothing. I'm just doing my makeup because I forgot." Oh no, because
You were borrowing a
Yeah, I'm
lipstick or something.
eyeliner.
Eyeliner.
yeah, I was like pretending to borrow something, but I know already that
Yeah,
Evo
I was-
there.
I was
You
You
hiding.
didn't see him though inside though.
Yeah, I didn't, but I know he is there
Yeah,
because
I
I
know.
literally peek at the window.
You know
Because
kung saan siya.
RJ literally saw it. Yeah, I know.
Alam mo kung saan siya
You literally
nagtago.
told us that he was hiding under the bed
Under
of
the
Yeah,
Given,
that was-
her sister.
That was a cool. That was.
her sister's room.
Yeah,
My
that
heart was
great.
pounding then.
And I was so mad because I felt betrayed as a friend. Like,
I know.
I did everything for you guys, and this
Well,
is
kasi
how.
hindi ko din kasi ano sa inyo, masabi sa inyo kasi I was embarrassed with my decisions too. Kasi
But
before that, I was saying, oh, I'm not gonna get back with him
I mean, I
anymore.
don't really get it. I get it when you said that because I know you're mad at that time. But I really, the reason why I told you before you go, you guys are come back together. I literally told you like it's okay if your guys are gonna come, like
Yeah.
go back to each other, because I really understand it, because you're the one who's been. You guys are in love, and I don't know that feeling. So I know that feeling, but I understand that you're mad at that time. That's why I'm not gonna go back with them and stuff like that. But the thing is, like, I literally told you like, oh, it's okay if you guys come back, but
Yeah.
you didn't tell me. Then that's when I felt literally betrayed. Not that I'm wishing you guys not to come back with each other, but just a friend who literally told you I'm not gonna get offended when you guys
Oo.
come back. But the
Oo.
thing is, like, you sinikreto nyo eh. And
Yeah.
I was so pissed. That's
I
my-
got it.
Actually, ang first tampo ko naman sa'yo is every time na pupunta ko sa bahay nyo, you will just like, oh,
Pagod
wait lang,
ako.
hintayin mo si Evo.
Oh.
Yun yung una kong tampo sa kanya na parang I felt like, oh, I'm not welcome. na parang,
hindi
I
naman.
need to wait for your boyfriend to come to your house na parang so you're not treating me as a friend anymore. Yung alam mo yan kasi when I go to my friend's house, I would literally tell you kahit spontaneous pa yan. Sasabihin ko muna syempre bibisita ko. And I visited her house and I was like, "Girl, I'm gonna go to your house ha." And he was like, "Girl, bakit?" I was like, "Wala lang, tambay lang." And then I messaged Evo. I was like, "Evo, let's go to Gia's house." And then well, they were not yet in the same house at the time.
Yeah.
And then I told her and then she was like, "Girl, mamaya ka na pumunta. Hintayin mo na lang si Evo." Sabi ko, "Girl, but I'm here already." Sabi niya, kasi tas wala siyang marason. So ako naman, I felt na parang okay.
Hindi ka welcome.
Yeah, so I sabi ko na lang, okay, I'll
Hindi
just
kasi,
wait for him
I feel like
outside.
na kasi, yung at that point, yung parang, you know, like, close kayo, pero hindi pa yung parang like comfortable,
Yeah.
na very close na ganun.
nahihiya ako
Mhm.
sa'yo. I didn't know how to entertain you.
Which is, yeah, that's the problem with most
With
of the
me,
people. But the thing
yeah.
is, like, for me kasi, I'm literally okay as long as we're just
I
there.
know.
That's it.
Yeah.
And then that's my first tampo. That's why I never asked you anything na I would never tell you na I'm gonna hang out at your place na. After that, hindi sabi ko, hindi na ako pupunta kay La Gia. Lagi na lang ako, di ba nun, kay La Evo.
Oh.
And then sabi ko, ba't tayo magsistay kay La Gia? Dito na lang tayo sa bahay ng La Evo. And that's my first tampo. And now I really understood naman na. Sabi
Kung
ko,
how I
okay,
am.
busy.
no,
Yeah.
kasi-
And I realized that like, 2022 somewhere
Pero
around
ngayon,
that.
ang na-realize ko, ang first conflict natin, yun yung nagsiselos ako sa'yo lagi.
We never fought about that.
Yeah, you didn't know.
You didn't
but
know.
I was talking to Eva
But
about
I
it.
know
She
that.
was
I felt
she was
that already.
arguing with me. So it's our conflict about you.
No, I felt that already nung every time na mag-hangout tayo, tapos bigla na lang may magagalit out of nowhere. And I realized na sabi ko, tinanong ko siya noon sabi ko, "Huy, pinagsaselosan ba ako ni Gia?" And then sabi niya, hindi siya nagsasalita, ayaw niya magsalita. And which is, that means that, yeah, it is.
Hindi,
And
kasi
sabi
ano
ko,
lang naman.
She doesn't have to. Like,
I
Girl,
know that now.
I was
pero-
like, girl, straight. Your boyfriend is straight. I'm freaking gay.
no, I'm not jealous of you na in a relationship.
Yeah,
na
but like the way he
romantically.
treated me.
Yeah,
And
the
I
way-
literally told him that. Sabi ko, Vo, you need to like, give some limits to our friendship kasi the way you treat me is the way you treat girlfriends. Like,
I think ganun kasi talaga ako even
I know.
you know,
Yeah.
like even with other friends.
which is
diba?
I really
Yeah.
appreciate it,
Yeah.
and sometimes I really regretted it because like my standards went so high because of that. And if a straight
Wow
guy,
naman.
if a straight guy can do those stuff to me, then why not my own boyfriend, right? Like why not my
Yes,
It's
own?
just ano
guy?
lang naman
Exactly.
kasi. It's just like, you know, like it's just respectful to do that.
Yeah.
You know, like it's
Yeah,
just. I mean, it's not gonna change anything to me. You know, like it's not gonna bother me like so much. Diba? Na parang like, oh, opening a door for you.
yeah.
You know,
and,
what does that do? Diba?
and
Parang nothing to
sometimes
me.
the most awkward thing that he did is he tied my shoes. Kasi my shoelace was loose and he tied it for me. And his mom was like, "Uy, girl, babae ka dyan." Sabi ko,
kasi-
"Ewan ko dito sa anak mo, te."
Hindi kasi ganun lang naman talaga ako, diba?
I
Parang like,
know, and I really appreciated that. That's why my standards went really, really high because
Kaya
of
nga
that.
noon at that time, parang I don't feel as special na as your girlfriend kasi I don't experience things that other people doesn't experience. Yun yung
Yeah,
ano ko
yeah,
naman.
and the way you say "I love you" to everyone loses its credentials. Yeah, credibility.
pero ano, you know, like as of this moment, diba? Like you guys understand why.
Pero
you know.
he's like that naman kasi talaga.
Yeah, and well, it changed some of it because I'm the one who literally nagbibigay ng space sa relationship nyo kasi ayoko naman na maghiwalay kayo dahil lang sa the way he treated
Pero I
me.
love you na, girl.
Syempre, I love you, girl.
I love
No,
you guys.
Kasi the thing is like I noticed that na tatawagan niya, one call ko lang sa kanya, he would literally answer it. Like kahit anong gawin niya.
Yeah.
And now, one call sa kanya, I would never hear anything. I was like, oh, end call. Maybe he's busy. That's why I understand.
Yeah,
Kasi,
I've been, you know, like since, you know, getting this, you know, this
Kasi
job.
for me,
it just got
when you
busy.
call me, I'm one call away. Like, literally, when you call me, I would answer. Literally, when you message me, I would answer. pag hindi ako nakapag-answer, that means I'm really busy.
Busy or you're
But-
sleeping.
Yeah, or I'm sleeping. But I make time for my friend. Literally, I make time for everyone.
Yeah.
Pag friends ko, I would literally make time for
Ako
you.
naman, that's my problem naman. Sa friends ko, pag hindi ko nakikita, I'm terrible with, like, sa iba kong friends, hindi ako nagme-message, I don't make much effort sa mga friends. So, that's
When-
something that I need to
When
work
Evo
on.
and I never, like, talk that much,
Ah.
we talk, tatawag yan every 2 weeks. Like,
Mhm.
after 2 weeks, bigla yan tatawag out of nowhere. And predicted
He's
ko na
really
yun,
good
scheduled.
at
He is good.
Keeping
being
up with his
consistent,
friends.
yeah.
Yeah.
It's-
Consistency.
I
Not
know.
really.
He
Like,
is
it's
good
hard.
at
It's really
consistency,
hard.
Pero the thing is, when it comes to friends, and he has a lot of things to adapt when you guys are in a relationship na,
Mm.
right? It was
Yeah.
like consistency from dating, like the way he treats you. Kasi sometimes the way he treats you is the way he treats us too.
Yeah.
So there's nothing special to it, and you're looking for something that is,
It's more special. Yeah, special
more
to
than,
me.
more than friends
Mhm.
kind of treatment.
Yeah.
What? Anong first tampo mo sa akin?
I don't know. I'm trying to think. That's like a curveball.
That is so funny kasi
Alam mo, usually kasi sa inyo, ikaw ang nagtatampo mostly.
Oo,
Siya kasi,
ako.
laging, wala sa kanya naman.
Ako
Right?
kasi,
Ako, like, honestly, hindi ako nagtampo. Hindi naman sa siguro, hindi siya yung sobrang ganong kalaki na
Mhm.
tampo. Pero like, because I don't even remember anything.
ako naman magagalit lang ako, pero after that, depende sa, like when I get mad, it really depends on the situation. If I really get mad, I would not talk to you for a year or 6 months.
Grabe.
Yeah, literally, diba? We never really, like when I got mad at him for something like kind of offended me or something, parang nainis lang ako na sobrang inis ko talaga. Hindi ko siya kinausap. We never really talked for
I
6
think-
months.
No, that was 3 months. Tapos, yung sa iba, alam ko yung sinasabi mo yung situation na nangyari.
What is that?
Um,
Because I remember
I don't wanna
never talked
disclose
to you
that
for
here.
a year.
yeah, I don't want to disclose that year.
For a year, we never talked because like I was so mad at him.
Mm.
No, it wasn't. It's towards the other. For me, it's 3 months. And then the rest of them was a year.
What is that?
We'll talk about it later.
What is that? I don't remember.
Mm.
Is it like about someone?
Yeah. It's juicy.
Ew.
Juicy.
I think you know what the reason why we decided to name our channel Just Us Friends is because we are so sure that it's just us till the end of the time.
Wow.
Aw.
No,
And
kasi
that's
ano eh.
it. See you later.
That's so sweet.
Hindi, kasi we're just, being truthful and honest with each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah, and the bond that we
Created.
Yeah.
between us.
Yeah, it was like through
Special.
thick and thick because we
Yeah.
never been.
I
thin.
mean, meron tayong mga hindi naman tayo perfect as friends.
Yeah.
Meron tayong mga hindi gusto sa isa't isa.
Probably we accept each other's flaws.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you know that whatever happens, nandito tayo para sa isa't
Yeah.
isa.
Wow. Well, That's just us, friends.
Well, that's just us, friends.
Thank
We'll
you.
see y'all. Thank you guys
Thank
for
you.
supporting us for our
tuning in.
pilot episode.
Make sure to
Like, share,
Subscribe and,
And
share.
share.
Yeah.
share with your friends, families.
The bell button.
Somewhere here. Somewhere
Alright.
over.
All right. See
here.
you guys on our next episode.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.